What's up? What's up? How are y'all doing? What's up? Let me fix some things. I can start a bit early here today. Let me check. Okay. Music fixed. Everything fixed. Okay. All right. Let's just go and start it right there. Just gonna go to the main. Y'all can hear me, right? Just go play some Spotify. We only got 9 viewers here today. 10. Okay. Maybe they're gonna start catching up. Maybe after 9:30. All right. Okay. Good morning, brother. Good morning, afternoon. What's up? Okay. Oh, what the fuck is going on with these markets? They look a bit ugly. They look a little bit ugly. But nonetheless, let's see what's going on here. Okay. First things first. This is like a C2 closure. Let me try to do what's going on. Make this turn it into blue. Okay. Interesting. Alright, so fill to CIST. Now we're gonna form the low. This is the low of the day. We don't have an established low of the day. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Let me take that off. Alright, we got this 2-stage. We might get a 2-stage here. Still got this current high of day. Also the high is still available to be traded into. H1. This one looks really clean. This is a 2-stage. You can trade this expansion. Let me see if we can align ourselves with that expansion. This is a clean CISD. That would be a clean trade if that's 10 a.m. Like I don't trade 9 a.m. so I'll just go ahead and wait. What do we got? We got almost a 2-stage right there. Almost got a 2-stage strength switch there. Let me check. I think we'd have a strength switch. Where's that low? It's here. This one is, yeah, we have a strength switch going from the stronger to a bit weaker, and then I think this expansion is going to be the play. After this CISD, this is going to be the protected low, probably into this draw or all the way into the high, which I think are a really clean draw. But we still need to confirm with the CISD, so yeah, I think I'm going to be, yeah, this high, the high are going to be my target for the day. See what's going on with YM. YM's just in a range right now. Yeah, literally in a range right now on YM. Okay, we did trade up into that level, I guess. Yep. Directly shoot it there. Alright, that's clean. Okay, now what do I want to see? Hopefully we can see some sort of failure to manipulate before 10 a.m. and then we can continue taking out these longs, like probably into the high. Alright, CL. Let me see what's going on with CL. Can you do please a quick rundown on how to use your PSP indicator link for it to detect automatically which asset I'm on and show the PSP? Like you just keep it on this one. If you go to this one, go to PSP indicator. I don't know why it's not showing. Maybe if we go here, it will show. I don't know why it's showing. When it will show, and then I'll tell you. Good morning. Hope you had a great good night. It was an okay night. I just keep it auto. Auto it will do the job. So don't choose any preset. Just go with the auto. It will whenever you change the asset, it will automatically detect. Because here, if you go to, so we got preset one is for NSCs, one is for metals, one is for energies, and then here you can customize them. Maybe add GU, EU, the XY, and here maybe another thing, like if you trade any other assets. So let's do a quick rundown, see what's going on here. So looking at this, like just looking at it, we got a C2 closure, but again, like we're kind of traded back into the range. We just rebalanced that range. So let me see how the weekly is looking like. Okay, daily. So far we don't have any SMTs or nothing like that. 4 hour. We're leaving behind a lot of filler swings, which is a bit worrying. If you want to take longs, maybe a continuation off of this gap back into the high, and this high is going to be a good trade, especially that each O is closing bullish, this one's closing bearish, so we will form a PSP right there. So probably we'll have E2 stage, then trade it up into the highs. I think that would be ideal. I think that would be the ideal formation. Yeah, but RB shows clean momentum to the downside, like it shows clean that momentum to the downside, especially just after taking out like these highs. We might also form that 2-stage this way, like after each O takes out the high, we'll have like your lower low, then continue lower. That might also be the case, but hopefully one closes the gap. Like if RB closes the gap, then yeah, that would be good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait, because I just traded 10 a.m. forward candle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. Take that off. Holy, there's nothing really on gold. I'll just keep this one. It's not loading up. I don't know why. We only got 20 people. I don't know why. We're supposed to get a bit more. Anyways, just go ahead, close that out. Daily. So like overall, showing expansion with this week supports expansion. I would anticipate the previous daily low to get taken. Why? That shows the failure to manipulate. We just traded below this level. We failed to reverse. So ideally, most likely, we can probably trade it back into that gap. But still, like this hourly PA is just so bad. So I wouldn't really even try to take a trade here. Looking at silver, let me check the daily. So this is like a C2. Again, I would do the same. Just kind of anticipate that this low is going to get taken out. Why? Because we traded below. Thursday traded below Wednesday's low, and we kind of failed to reverse. So ideally, I just want to see continuation, because this to me is like a failure to manipulate. Then we can ideally trade back into the previous daily low. Now let me check the 4 hour. Like we have this internal OBs getting formed. We got another one here. So this is a C3. We can anticipate a C4, especially that we have just taken out a low. Again, what do I want to see? Kind of that same style that I do always. If we take out a relevant low, we form a swing, then this is a failure to manipulate, especially with some sort of crack correlation here. Then we can trade it back into the low of day. So let's just check. Let's just see what's gonna happen right there. Like on an hourly, like this hourly is looking good, especially that we're kind of forming a gap. And another thing is this current candle is really closing. Why your mic is low? Now it's good. I think now it might be good. Let me check if it's now better. Is it better now, guys? I've told loads of people about the channel, man. Thanks, man. I think now it's better, right? I just kind of raised the volume a little bit. Okay, so now this one might be closing as a PSP, which it might not. But let's see. If it closes PSP, that would be really good. We got a gap. We can see continuation off of the gap. We already have this 2-stage with that high and that high. This one kind of traded above the high. This one did not. But still, ideally, I want to seek some continuations from here with like a strength switch, and then trade back into the lows. That would be my ideal setup on server. Yep, that would be the case. That's good. It's kind of flipping bullish, which is good. Then we can like Now I can see this as a first stage. Like this is the first stage. If this one closes at BSP, I would see this as a first stage, and then the second stage would be whatever comes next, which is the SMT. So ideally I want to take shorts off of the gap. So let me just do something really quickly here, guys. Bum, bum. All right. We back. Yo, what's up, Snaggy? What's up, my brother? All right, 30-minute. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That looks like my AV set up there on hourly. Hopefully this one closes as BSB. If it does, that's good. If it does not, then yeah, that's all right. We can just trade the second stage. But let me see what's going on at M3. All right, perfect. I think I would be open to taking that one. I would be open to taking silver shorts. Yeah, I will try to take silver shorts back into previous daily low, or just at least the current low of day. So that would be the play. And see continuations from. Oh wow, holy! Look at YM, man. What the fuck just happened? Damn. What's up? It's almost up, Najib. How are y'all doing, man? All right. So this C3 is gonna confirm this CISD. So I got an open draw here, or I can just go for all-time highs. Not all-time highs, like the previous daily high, or I would go for that level since this level got swept. So I'm just gonna go ahead and target this level instead. Let's see. 30-minute. 15. We don't have any gaps. So yeah. Today looks like it might be a trading day. It looks like we might have something here. Okay, let's just now wait for 10 a.m. to come around and then show us what it got to offer. Let me just take the PSP visibility above 8 minutes. Back from gym. Nice, man. Nice. I was about to go to gym, man. Yeah, I just was a bit lazy today. Good, man. Good. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, ideally I want to see a reversal off of that level. Like there's nothing really here to kind of reverse off of. Like this is the only area. If price wants to continue higher, like this is the area we'll do it from to kind of continue higher. Like these hours are close to each other, so yeah, that would be good if we can find some sort of two-stage here. All right, we got an SMT at the highs, but again, it doesn't really matter for now. Okay. Give you guys 1 sec. I'm gonna do something really quickly. I'm just gonna pop that up. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Then we can get back to the live stream. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. So yeah, now we just gotta wait here, boys. Let's see what we're gonna have. So far, it looks like we might have a trading here. So like a trading day. I think we can have. We might have. We will have. No, we're going to have. Not even we will. Okay, let's see. Silver looks clean. Gold, I would not even touch this one, bro. Like just look at it. Yeah, just not really tradable. Silver looks good. Leaving behind this gap. Let me see here. Like if we go here, GxT, XG Euro. And then we go to I see Marcus. I think this one also opens at the same time. Not really. 90. Okay, so it's not a PSP. Do USD. No, GPP. Let me check if we have something there. Yeah, same. We don't have any PSPs. We don't have a PSP yet. Okay, so it's just gonna go ahead and wait. 30-minute. Like, we have this SMT, but again, it's not really relevant. So we can just go ahead and wait. 3-minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, it seems like that one that's one of my closest C2 maybe. Let's see what's gonna happen here. So like we have E2 stage on both sides. So with the highs, this one traded higher. This one did not. This one is also trading higher. This one traded lower. So we have like E2 stage on both sides. Like we have this 2 stage and also that 2 stage. So it's a bit tricky right there. Looking on an hourly. Yeah. Let's see if this is gonna be a failure to manipulate. If this is gonna be a reversal, especially that YM just took out the high, so that's gonna be an interesting day. Also, looks like YM is kind of confirming the high of day right now. It's kind of confirming this high, this being the high of day. So are we just gonna trade away from that level? Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna have. All right, just a matter of time now. Just gotta wait patiently, see what we might have there, and then bro, YM looks like this is the best formation of accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Like this is like a, yeah, if you want to take a screenshot and use like a range, like maybe to show how perfect it is, like YM, it just made that perfect accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like perfect. For the people that trade inversions, maybe they took this one, but they need to trade YM too, so inversion then straight to TB. That looks like a clean trade. That looks like a clean trade. Anyways, we back. Let's see what we can have to. Let's see what we get there. Oh man, there's a car meeting right now. Let me show you guys. There's a car meeting right now, and like a friend of mine just sent me a picture. I did not go because of the live stream, so this is what's happening right now. Let me show you guys. Did not go because now got a live stream. So this is a car meeting just like around 10 kilometers from where I live. He sent me a picture. He said like if you want to come, but I cannot. We're live trading, boys. So yeah, we got that SF90 here. I think this is another SF90. This is like F8. I don't know what is this, but yeah, some good cars. But I don't have a car, by the way. I don't have like a I don't have a car like them. I'm still a bit far from that level. You're a real. Thank you, brother. Yeah, man. Always gotta. 37 viewers, nice. I think more people are coming in. Okay, that's good. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would be good. Maybe that would help the stream. Have a GTR? I guess there will be, maybe. Let me check. Let me go use this one. Bring the chat. You know what? I'll just take his chat. So. I don't think so. I don't think there is a GTR. This is like probably 718 Boxster. I don't think. Yeah. What do you mean you don't have a car? Like a supercar, not a car. Like a $400,000 car or like a $500,000 car. I don't have a car. I do. But not a car. Wait. Car back in my country, not here. Here, it's a bit tough to get a country here. It's a bit tough to get a car here, so I just use the taxis and stuff. By the way, just to let you guys know, because I'm not Chinese. Waboshi Zhongguoren. So you can buy a car, but I need to do pass driver's license, and you need to do it with Chinese, and my Chinese is not good, so I cannot. Bro, what's the lowest time frame that you can look for a valid PSP or SMT? 15 minute. 15 minute. That looks like no, it looks clean. Like if you really check, yes, we got a C2 formation. This is the C3. The 1800 is here. Like we're almost traded back into daily open. Now we formed a hive day, 42 days. So nope, I don't watch it. But if you have a good suggestion, man, let me know. Like literally from this moment after the live stream, I'm gonna go ahead and watch a film. Like literally, as I told you guys yesterday, I wanted to watch a film, but nah, it's been like a long time, like 4 or 5 years. I haven't watched like something for long. I go to the cinema, but because of but if you have a partner, then you go for a date or something. But other than that, like I don't watch anything solo. So if you guys have any good movie suggestions, good anime suggestions. Yeah, I watched Attack on Titan. That was the only one that I watched. Also, what's his name? Tokyo Ghost? No, not Tokyo Ghost. I don't remember. Let me see. Tokyo Ghost. This one. I watched season 1, season 2, and then I stopped. Season 1 was good. Like the fight after that season, Kaneki-kan. Like the third season, I did not watch. That was like a while back, maybe like 2017, 2018. I don't know. What was the release date? Let me check. It's back in 2014, but I did not watch it back in 2014. Maybe 2017, 2018, I guess. Yeah, I think I watched it back in 2018. Yeah, and Attack on Titan was back then, maybe season 2. I don't remember. Yep. Solo leveling. A lot of people suggested this one. Solo leveling. All right. Watch 2.5 Man. 2.5 Man. That's like a comedian film, or is an American series. Oh, that's like a series. Okay, 12 seasons, perfect. It's a bit long, but I can go ahead and maybe give it a watch. The read manga of solo leveling is better. Oh, the manga of so. All right. If you guys have any other suggestions, yeah. Just One Piece, bro. One Piece is too long. And like maybe like there. How many are there? Like maybe 1K episodes. Like I don't know, 1K or something. It's too long. Let me check. Yeah, that will take a lot of time, man. Oh, 1,169. Man, is way better. Man, wow. Is this like the manga or what? Oh, this one. Oh. This looks Korean. I don't know why. Is this Korean or Japanese? Let me see where charts are at. Okay, so I got 10 minutes. One Piece. Tokyo Ghoul Season 2 did not follow the source material, I heard. I wanted... Tokyo Ghoul Season 2 did not follow the source material, I heard. I did not get your question, man. I did not get your question. But this second season was good. Third season was so bad. I started the first episode. It was so bad. Then I stopped. I wanted to tell One Piece, but I knew you would say this. So then... One Punch Man. I know that One Punch Man, the one with the bald head, right? I think it's the bald head, One Punch Man. Yeah, I know this guy. Is this Dragon Ball? Looks like Dragon Ball. I don't know why. Thank you guys for the suggestions, man. Like this is really good to have a chat with people. Like they're gonna give you like the best of the best based off their experience, which is good. Like, do you guys think Attack on Titan is the best one? Do you guys think Attack on Titan is the best one or not? Do you guys think there's anything better out there than? Because now, like the first thing I watched was like the level was really good. Like Attack on Titan, I don't know, it's just super good. I don't like the last episode, like they fucked it up a little bit, but again, it's no worries. It's not a big deal, but still, it's the best, man. I don't think the best thing I've watched. What do you guys think? Do you think it's the best one or not? So we're confirming this CISD, or might confirm this CISD. We can trade it back into that low. But it's not looking the best. Silver. 1 hour. HO. 4 hour. We got this. Essentially okay. RB looks the cleanest, not gonna lie. Like RB looks the best. We got a C2 close. We got a C3 closure with SMT. 3 minute. Yeah, I think I might be willing to take RP shorts. Back into that low. Let's see. Let's just wait and see. Silver. NSCs. Like NSCs are a bit tricky too. We got a CSD, a second one. This is the second CSD. Was there some sort of strength switch there? Yeah, there was. Holy. There was this one. So this like could have been a valid entry. Stops at the bottom. Stops at the high. Target that level. But I don't trade before 10, so. This was a good C2. 30 minute. Yeah, this one was good. This looks good. Between the high and the high, we get the SMG, and then within the candle itself, we got this strength switch, maybe like an M15 strength switch. Not really. 3 minute. Yeah. So let's just wait, man. Just gotta wait a little bit here. Gotta wait and then see what we can manage to get, if we're gonna get something or not. 4 hours so far. Where's 1800? This is 1800. So like that's the thing. Like the low of day was not formed off of anything. It's just like a range and then expansion. This is the new invalidation level. So if price wants to continue trading higher, this is the area we'll do it from. Like to kind of trade back into these relevant swing, or this might be the high of day. And again, also the high of day was not formed off of anything. It's just a swing, not from a gap, not from an SMT. Yeah, we do have this SMT, but again, it's irrelevant. Yeah, so it's a bit tricky here. Ideally, I want to see like at least we have a gap. I want to see like a continuation back up, like trade back into the current high of day, especially that the day open low, didn't form the low, but again the low is not really protected because it was not formed off of anything, but still we get this new invalidation level. If we manage to get like a swing formation here, we can trade it back up to the upside. Taking sells now, which just you can just kind of anticipate that this C2 is the high of day just because it is a C2. So yeah, it's a bit tough. 4 hour on silver. Yeah, I'm just saying, like I just want to seek further continuations down, like maybe like some sort of crack correlation here to kind of trade back into this current low of day. Like that would be the only play for me. I wouldn't really be along in this one, especially at the daily. I just opened and just start expanding. Like look, we're just forming high, taking out lows, forming highs, taking out. Then yeah, now I'm just anticipating that new high and then the continuation lower. So we're forming this PSP. So we have the first one stage already. Are we gonna get the second stage? That would be good. If we're gonna get that second stage, that would be perfect. We have a CIST here. Okay. Let's see if this one closes the C2 or not. If this one closes the C2, then yeah, we'll seek the C3 to expand lower. And I think by the time we're gonna get that open high, hopefully gold's managed to take that one. So we'll have a second stage right there with the M15 and then continue lower. That would be really clean. That would be a good trade. So if I think yeah, one trade from here today, just like one shot, and then I'm all okay. Just this one just dumped. Wow, this was a good trade. Not gonna lie, this one. But again, I don't trade before 10, so it is what it is. Let me see. Some people took it in the chat, right? I think the chat is moving. So already in NQ from 1 minute, would close at 2R, almost there. Perfect, man. Perfect. I was in NQ, so let's trade at 1-1. GG, 1 minute, now 1. Nice. So you guys look at the M15 fractal. You traded this C2 or now you traded the C3? Was it this? Open high and disclosure, and now you're trading lower? Perfect. GG's, boys. Like GG's. Really good. Congrats, man. Let's see. Holy, what the fuck just happened, bro? Holy, what the did Trump tweet something or what the fuck just happened? Nice, GG's, boys. The only thing we can see is like further continuation back to the downside. So we got a C2 closure right there with a 2-stage. Somebody sending me a message. Let me do something and close WeChat because it will just keep bothering me. Okay, let me just take that off. Close that one. Close this one too. Okay, we back on the stream. So as I said, 4 hours closing as a C2. We got a 2-stage at the high. So now I just want to seek further continuation to that low. And then probably, if we haven't rebalanced that range, if we rebalance the range with it. So yeah, I just want to seek out that low to get taken out. Or YM to kind of retrace a little bit and give me like an M15. That would be continuation. So yeah, now I'm not really going to be looking for buys on NSCs. Like I'm just going to be seeking sales on NSCs. So we got silver. I'm going to be watching silver. Let me check. Now it's time to go to M15, boys. It's time to go to M15 because in such expansions, you don't really manage to get a lot of retracements. So I'll just be willing to take a lower time frame entry or an M15 2-stage. Just in 1 stage is enough on M15 because I'm aligned with the daily. Okay. I'm working on new streaming based. I'm working on new strategy based on M15 1 minute TTFM with AMA. It's working great. Perfect, man. If that's something you're collecting a lot of data on, then yeah, perfect. Let me see. Alright, so now like I'm interested in probably if we get a closure below this level. I'm gonna be interested in silver. Wow, beautiful. That's good. That's really clean. So that was 930. Then we kind of expand it back up. Yeah, that's really good. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. If we can get another trade or not. But so far, look, silver looks clean. I just need one more thing. Is like this SMT. I just need another SMT here. And I would be open to taking YM shorts. Okay, so this one just flipped. So it's closing as a PSP. Okay, not really. It's not really a PSP. Only like 30-minute closes C2. Okay, so what do I want to see right now? We got a C2 off of a gap, which is the new invalidation level. We got the CISD. Now the only thing I want is just something to confirm the high of the 10 a.m. Ideally back into this gap. Ideally back into this order block, which most likely will give us an SMG here. And now I can be willing to trade that candle. Also I can trade, nah, gold is not really good, no. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna get this trade back up into that level. M15, let me see what M15 if we have V. Yeah, we don't have VPSB. Okay, that's good. So now, come on gold, trade a little bit higher. Take this high out. M5, M3. Okay, that looks clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a limit right there. Let me see how the 4-hour closed. C3 perfect. But what do we got? Okay, we already have E2 stage here. They have this Thursday that caused this expansion. Alright, it's already flipping. Oh my god. Interesting. Come on. I need a bulky candle. I need like a bulky candle to kind of trade away from. Okay, incurred just dumping. NSCs are just dumping, so there's no way for me to kind of catch it there. I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on silver. But probably like we got a gap here, another gap here. So yeah. Price trades back into the gap, then I'm just gonna be ahead and be interested. See what's going on here. Gonna put it back on. What is this? I don't know what is this. Yeah, okay, euro. Let's do GBP. Not really taking out the highs. Okay. So now the only thing we can find. So yeah, if we get that second stage, now we can trade a. Yeah, that would be good. That would be a good trade. So we got SMTs with the highs, with the C2. Now the C3 has formed like an SMT. Now we can confirm the high to 10 a.m. We can trade back into that low. That looks a bit good. Not a bit, like it really looks good. But it doesn't seem like it wants to give that entry. It might just flip directly. Let me see what's going on here. Like the only issue with this one is like there's nothing really. There's no level to target here. Other than RB, like it looks like it's kind of pushing toward that low. But yeah, I think price is gonna continue directly without really giving an entry here. HO, let me see HO. HO looks a bit clean. We can trade it back into this gap. 3 minute. Do have an entry here. Can we manage to get like 2R? Not really. Yeah, not really. So yeah, let's see silver. So let's see. We still got just a few steps. Come on. Few points to the upside. And you'll manage to take this high out. Come on gold. Yeah, and then I'll be willing to take this one. This say. Yeah, I'll take it back to the lows. If y'all can hear me? Is the stream working fine now? The stream was a bit breaking up, right? Like if gold wasn't ranging, that could have been a really good trade. But I think maybe gold would want to go up to that high, maybe why like gold wants to go to that high. Let's see. Okay, trade it back into a gap. Okay. All right, perfect. Yeah, so ideally, hopefully we can get this gap. Like we got a beautiful gap here on one. Oh my, that shit looks beautiful. So trade it back into the new. This is the, yeah. I think that's yesterday's. Yup, that's yesterday's. All right. I trade into that one. That's sort of giving the reaction. This is like more of a catalyst for a pullback. Catalyst for a pullback, so then continue over. This is for that. Okay, just trading higher. All right. It doesn't want to. Pricing doesn't want to really reverse right now, so maybe I'll just give it some time to do so. Okay, maybe this might be the trigger. Like, I kind of trade above these highs. If SMT doesn't occur, we'll take a trade. At least I prefer like a one cracking correlation. Like in one stage, it's ideal. I want to have some sort of cracking correlation. They're like a really, really big confluence in my trading. So I would say nope. Yeah, I would say nope. I need to have one. I don't know why the stream keeps lagging, bro. Now is it better? Bro, the VPN is just, yep, see on the other side. Alright. Hopefully this stays good. Oh, we lost 40 viewers already. Bro, the VPN is just doing me dirty. Hopefully it stays like that. Hopefully it keeps working now. I don't know why it did what it did, man. Alright, everything's working good now. We lost a lot of people, but I think they're gonna be back soon. So no worries. Okay, let's just move the chart. Let me see if everything's working perfectly. Everything's perfect? Everything's good? Y'all can hear me good? Okay, hopefully this stays like that. I think it's good now. Yeah, it's good. Okay, good. Perfect. 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 Let's go. If by any chance this happens again, guys, and this stream closes, then I'm just gonna go ahead and start a new one. Okay, so just in case this happened again, so just let you guys know beforehand. You ever trade London? Nowadays, no. I used to, but now no. Seems like price is slowly crawling back up. Tawfiq, what's up? Longs on silver. I actually want to take shorts on silver. I actually want to see this new validation level hold and then to trade back into that current low of day. If we manage to get this trade, that would be good. If we don't, then yeah, it is what it is. We wanted to get in here after this CISD, but never got it. Price just traded higher, so it's just like, you know, trade. So let's see what we got here. All right. So we got this SMT, I guess. Yeah, we do have this SMT here. So, but again, it was broken a while back, so I don't really care about it. I don't really care about it much. Let's see if I have any PSPs or anything like that. We don't. So far, we don't have EPSP. Okay, so let's just wait and see. We don't we don't have no PSP, no SMT, so it's no trade. So as long as we don't have any of these, then no trade for me. Let's see what's going on, bro. We're getting a C2 here. Are we gonna get that retracement back? 3 minute. 15. Okay. Let me check RTY. I haven't checked that in like ages. Oh wow, RTY is pushing higher. Actually, RTY is setting up really nice for buys. Nice RTY, nice. Let me check. Oh, that's a clean CISD. CISD, second CISD. Yeah, but I don't trade RTY. That looks good. Hourly. Let me check. Bearish, bullish. We got this SMG, which is good. Nice. This is a good one. This is a decent trade. That's a decent trade. But like the only entry is to get from here, stops here. Then yeah. Nice. Let's go back to YM here. No, not ES. I mean. Alright. Price is just continuing. Price just wants to trade lower now. Alright. Are we gonna get that 2 stage? That would be really clean. Yesterday you got FOMO a bit, in my opinion. Not just I just took an L, bro. No FOMO. It was just I didn't like the fact that I got stopped out. I got stop rated and then price traded higher to my GP. Just didn't like it. Especially that I was planning to enter from the gap and put stops below the gap. That was like my first initial entry. And then if you guys really go back to the stream, what I said was I don't want to take the gap because we got like 6 minutes for the candle to close, and then what I ended up doing, I got to see I still 3 minutes, and then there was like another 3 minutes for the candle to close. So instead of me taking the A++ entry, I was like, you know what, let me wait for the new candle, and then I ended up taking the B+ entry. So that's what I didn't like. That I did not follow what I said I should. So if you want to do something, you got to do it, man. So that's what I did not really like it right there. Just like leaving a house for a hotel room. Let's just see. Let's just see what's gonna happen right there. Silver, okay. 3 minute. We're still holding that gap, which is good. Just a good sign. Just shit above the high. Okay, that's not a good sign. What that just happened there? Yeah, it's just flipping. Price just going lower, guys. 3 minute. We're gonna get a CISD there. Looks like I got the draw open, so we might take a short here. Let me see. Let me see what we're gonna get. Let me take that off. Let's see what we're gonna get. What? What is this? Oh, okay. Just like the EQ of the range. Come on. Let's see. Are we gonna get a YM push higher and then that from that second stage? Okay. So now what do we got? One stage already, but it's not really tradable. It's only tradable when we get a trade above the highs, because none of these closures are a C2 to the downside. To the, like, form a bearish swing. They're just a continuation. So hopefully, let's see if YM kind of manages to trade above the highs, or ES ideally. Yeah, ES is really clean. Look at these lows, bro. Like they're just a bunch of lows. Got another one here. Yeah. Forget that 2 stage with ES. That would be beautiful. Even though like the candle wouldn't really support expansion if it trades all the way back up, but still, it looks really clean. I would take it. Give me this, either this, an SMT here, or this, and I'm gonna take ES back to that low. Let's see. If price manages to go without us, then it is what it is. Let's see if it stops at the body. 1.3R. If I enter off of the gap, stops here. That makes sense. Like it's almost 2R. But let's see. Silver. 30 minute. Good. Okay, let's see. Let's just wait. I don't think we're gonna get that. Maybe let's just wait. Let's just wait and see. Okay, price is just expanding lower. Good, good. Okay, price just wants to expand lower. A tap into the new M15 gap would be, yeah, it would be so good. It would be so ideal, man. Continuation off of an overblock. Continuation off of a gap. That would be beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. M5. Kind of getting this CISD here. That's why we kind of get the retest from. If they give 2R, it would, but yeah, I just need that second stage. Ideally, I want to see the second stage or some sort of lower time frame sweep, especially after we took out all these irrelevant swings. Like after, yeah, I just want to see a lower time frame sweep. If it just expands, then yeah, it is what it is. Yeah. Yeah, price is just melting, bro. Do you use the economic calendar? I mean, using this roadmap? Not really. You can just use like news, but again, that's why I don't trade the 6 a.m. Yeah, but if you trade the 6 a.m., then yeah, you gotta pay attention to it, especially that there are a lot of news within 6 a.m. So, but mostly they align with the overall draw. News, it's just gonna drive price faster to that draw. Yeah, just it's dropping lower, which is good. Yeah, the draw was hit. It's all right. Just gonna go ahead and wait. Just gonna go ahead and let me see RTY. What RTY is doing. Is it going up or going down? It's going down. But again, we're still got this new validation level, which is holding so far, which might hold. I held it a little slow and I hit. Nice, man. Nice. From here, from all the way to the top, from the top to the bottom. Nice, man. Nice. Really, really good. Congrats, buddy. Let me see what is going on here. This looks good. So far, this silver trade looks good. Would you short oil or wait for a 30-minute sweep or F15 closure? For now it's a bit, man. Like the previous 4-hour candle, like this is the thing. Like this is the new validation level. This is the current low of day. This is the new validation level to go higher. But again, this low of day was formed off of nothing. This C2 closure was formed off of nothing. So really, like we're just kind of trading away from. This is not relevant. This is not relevant. That's the only issue. So like we got a CIC here. I would view this as CIC. This is not the hive day, right? Let me see where's the hive day. Yeah, this is the hive day. So now we're kind of confirming the hive day. We got this new validation level. Are we gonna get a one stage here to trade back into the lows? Maybe. But like there's nothing really here that would cause price reverse off of this 4-hour gap, other than this 4-hour gap or this low itself. Like I would not view this as a place that price will reverse off of from. So it's a bit tricky here. Is this making the low 10 a.m. to then expand higher, or is this just that open high to then low close? Like that's the question. So it's a bit confusing here actually, and there's no stage, there's no cracks, there are no cracks in correlation here, like with the candles. We only have this SMG, but again, it got taken out here. So this like I don't see this as a clean SMG because it was taken a while back. So like maybe like the only one you could consider is this, this from that low to that low, then from this one to the high. Now you can see the C2 closure. That might also be valid. C3, let me see what's going on with C3. We're forming a gap. We respected the gap. We have VCISD, which is also clean. But yeah, let's just wait for a 30-minute candle to close and then this side. Ideally, in that case, when you're kind of confused, like M15 would really clear the confusion. So if we have like an M15, maybe like an SMG fail, do we have any gap here? No, not really. If we have some sort of like E1 stage crack correlation, like maybe this, something like this, especially that we are trading within a gap. So if price is going to reverse this, we're not really forming one stage to the upside. So if we're getting one stage here with a CIC, then I'm going to take it. That would be the only thing that would give me confidence. It's going to trade it higher. NQ just fucking around. Yes, hit the draw. So new phase of price, I might anticipate it there. Okay, silver is reversing. Okay, so we wanted to take sell. So let's see. Possible unicorn. Yep. M5 looks a bit cleaner. Like this. But let's see. I don't think price will give us that open high, but let's see. Within the next candle. Let's see. So we still got this low available on my end that we can target. Also, he has just traded below that level, so we still can take shorts on NSCs. With the proper framework, we can still take shorts on. Yeah, I still want to go short here. It's RTY. RTY still holding that validation level. Okay. I still wanna take shorts here. Let's take like some close proximity low, so I would still be interested with like a 2 stage or a 1 stage. That would be perfect. Let's see. Looks like this just is dying. You missed gold? Not really, bro. Gold is just ranging, so I wouldn't really be interested in trading gold. I want to take silver back to the lows, like into that low or like the Wednesday's low. So we got the correct buys, but no entry is presented yet, so it is what it is. Like that, we had the CIC, but again, there was no 2 stage here to be able to trade the C2. So if you want to trade the C2, at least you need like a 1 cracking correlation. So there was really no cracking correlation. Like also this candle traded above that previous high. Same here, traded above the previous high. So there was no 1 stage. So I was not really. There was no way to get in. Also, like this wick doesn't really support an expansion, but still, price managed to expand. Oh wow, it just continued lower. Nice, bro. It was about to take out the high and then it flipped. Interesting. Really interesting. Like this is a clean entry, but let me see what we got. Like we can still expand lower to be honest on ES. Let me see the hourly. Maybe like into this hourly though. 3 minute. Let me see. Are we gonna get it to R? Not really. I'm not really gonna get it to R there. Let me see if we have a 2 stage. Come on, guys, go ahead and give the live stream a thumbs up if you haven't already. If you haven't given the live stream a thumbs up, go ahead and do so. That would really help the channel grow. Yep, that's all what you guys can help me with right now. Just give the live stream a thumbs up. Let's see. You took any trades? Not really. Not yet. Not yet, my brother. Still waiting. Yeah, we need to open high into a gap. We need something. Was open for silver too. Didn't think we'd get that expansion till the next. Yeah, exactly. It was such a good expansion on a short period of time. So it is what it is, man. Just gotta wait for the next one. Just wait. So I got like. This is just the first 30 minutes, so there are opportunities around the corner. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait, and we might get something here, boys. I'm feeling a bit tired, man. I'm just taking an energy drink, not drink, bro. I'm feeling so tired. Minute. No trade in Monday. Bank holiday? Oh, we got bank holiday. But I think we got CPI too, no? Let me check. I don't know if I'm just hallucinating or not, but I think we have. This is Friday. If we go to Monday. Oh, CPI for. Oh my God, it's for CAD, bro. I'm just. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yup. I think we won't trade on that day. I think there is no trading there. I think so. Why is it that 99% changes the GxT multis only in the season future? Aren't they? And it's seen someone is GxT for spares or spot. You see, or there's any reason behind that? Because they. I don't know. Because it's cleaner, bro. They expand. You're trying to trade the expansion, so futures in a season like oil, they just tend to expand a lot better than forex. Like if you go now to GU, like let's just go to Euro USD. Let's see if it expanded the same. Like look at that. Let's go to 4-hour candle. 4-hour candles. Like this is a clean trade. Like this is a clean expansion candle. This one is not the best. Oh, wait, let me take that off. But yeah, it's not really clean expansions. Like this candle is kind of good, but still not the best. Maybe like you could trade this one, but it's just overall not the best. And also the timing. Like you don't have a fixed time to trade. Not like NSCs. Like NSCs, you have a fixed time to trade. So you know when there's liquidity. So like on forex, you have Asian session, London session, New York. So it's just too many things. So it's just better to keep your one and then M15. All right, let me wake up. Let me do some stretches, man. Okay. I think the music is also not helping. We're doing house music, but it's not helping. We go Pop Smoke. What the fuck? Taylor Swift. Ariana Grande. We go. Go. This one is good. Harry Styles. We need something that is gonna give us energy. Hey. Paradise. Beyonce. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's no cracking correlation. Okay, so what we got, then new invalidation level, which is the gap. So we got a C2, maybe off of this OB. Like if you try to force it, it's off of the OB. Let's see. We don't have any cracking correlation there. M15, nothing really. All right. So I might just continue lower, but it doesn't look good. Holy moly, bro. What the? Yeah. I think Tawfiq was looking for longs on silver. If it took long, it's very good. Yeah. Gold hit daily gap. Now I guess that's for metal today. Consolidation incoming too. Don't forget that price ranged the whole session, so it might still expand lower. If I get this, I'm gonna trade it. Are we gonna get it or not? Not really, but again, let's see. Let me see. Is there? Holy RTY. Wait, let me see if we can trade RTY, boys. 30 minute. We have EC2. Holy, we have EC2. Let's see, PSP. CISD. Okay. A gap here. Like, if we get a trade away from the gap, that would be really clean. Yeah. Is this okay? So we get this is the new candle open. Perfect. Yeah, we can trade it back into these lows. Like RTY looks really clean. RTY looks clean. Yeah. If we get that 3 minute, probably like a retracement back into this gap, and then in new CISD, will take it back into that low. That would be a trade for me. Oh, by the way, guys, let me show you guys something. I opened a new Discord. Again, it's still it has nothing. So let me put the link for you guys to kind of join. Or you know what? I'll keep it until I fix it. So I'll just make it better and then share it maybe. Yeah. Tomorrow's backtesting. If we do, I think we'll do tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do the backtesting session. So tomorrow I'll share with you guys the Discord link. So yeah, what channel should I add, guys? Like, I don't really know which one should I add. Like, it's here. Like, let me show you guys. Like, still nothing in here. So it's just general. That's it. So if you guys have any suggestions for the channels, like, I don't know. I think this one. Yeah, this one is really good, guys. If you guys, yeah, this is the best Sam Smith song. It's really good. Such a vibe. How many listen? 1 billion. Holy shit. Damn, sorted. Just use for the live stream. Use Discord? No, I'll just YouTube, bro. I'll use YouTube for live streams. Let me see. Okay, so does that show that maybe we're gonna go higher? All right, that seems like maybe, but we haven't traded above the high, so let's just say. If you guys have any channel suggestions to add them on Discord, let me know, guys. I go ahead and add them right now, so maybe we can work on it while we're waiting for the trade to come. Let me turn on some lights. Like, there's no PSP. Interesting. Is the backtesting still happening tomorrow? Yeah, of course, man. For sure. Bro, at least you got money out of it. Imagine getting taken out and then going for your TP. So, what's time? What time? ESC. I'm not gonna say yes. I'm just gonna tomorrow, 1 hour before market open. So is 9:30 like is the EST the same as New York time? Let me check. EST time. EST time. But I think if I don't know if you guys are awake or not. Yeah, it's the same as so maybe like 8:30 or 9:30. Same time as the live streams, I guess. What do you guys think? I think for you guys that have to wake up early. For me, it's night, so it's alright for me. From 8:30 EST to 10 EST is fine for me. So if I'm just maybe some people will have to wake up or something. So and tomorrow is Saturday. So you guys maybe want to take a rest or something. Maybe general technical. Perfect. All right. Props and okay, perfect. So it's just gonna go ahead and start doing that. That even how to use this channel. You can't use this channel. What? I should save. That's taking so long. See, it look good. H4 SMT. Yep, man. It looks clean. Do I have this H4 SMT or not? We do. Hourly. I'll just wait for an hourly swing to confirm the low 10 a.m. Already 15-minute expansion. Like try to trade away from it. 30-minute C2. Now we got the C3. Like this looks good. Stops at the body. 15. I'll just wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Because now we finally traded back into the gap. Like now we finally traded into the gap. So this is when we're gonna see if price wants to reverse or not. So before that entry, price did not really trade into the gap. So yeah, exactly. What? You can't hear me? What the? Wait. Y'all can hear me? Wait. It is Lash. I don't know if you figured it out, if you guessed it or, but yeah, it was. Yeah, it was Lash. Oh, it's good. That's really good. Such a really good song. We can hear. What the fuck? Oh, I did not know this. Wait, let me check. Okay. Yeah, I'm sad, bro. I'm sad, man. Y'all should not know what I'm listening. Wow, that's good. That's interesting. Let me see. Let me see. Play blessings. Bro, I have like, I don't know, 700 songs locked, but when I want to play one, I don't know which one to play. Let's go here. Bro, I used to love Ariana. I don't know why, bro. I used to fucking love their songs. That was back like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I don't know why. 2021. Oh, 5 years ago. Never mind. Let's go with this one. For so many reasons. Oh, I sang. Wait. I should also stop singing. Oh, man. How much money you got? Mayo money, mayo. Okay, guys, answer the question. No, wait. How much money? Left you out the month. What the fuck just happened, bro? Okay, so now we can decide if this gap is gonna hold, especially that price just traded into it. Gold, silver. Oh, my beautiful silver. Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. Yeah, that would be a good one. Hi, what am I do? I lost all my weekly profits in one day in eval. Holy shit, that's the worst feeling, bro. I almost did the same thing yesterday. Not gonna lie, I was up like 1.4 or 5k, and I lost $700 yesterday. So like 50%. So I think we had the same. But if you lost everything, man, that's fucked up. So yesterday I lost like a little bit over than what I thought I would. So it happens, man. But if it's like a lot, like if you had like 5R and then you lost in a day, then yeah, that's a bit fucked, man. So I'm still up like $700 or $800 for the week on one account. So but the problem is, like, that's the problem with fund and ticks. On the winners, I'm only allowed to take short contracts. I win 400. I took 2 trades, which is 4R, but I only won $800. And yesterday's loss on silver was like $600, which is like my 1R. So yeah, the fund and ticks fucked me up there. So GxT back to sensation is a good video. Thank you, brother. Yeah, everything, but how much you lost? How much did you lose? And how much do you risk per trade? That's the question. Thank you, Pablo. Let me check which one is it. Is it the one that hit like 1k views? The videos, let me check. Was it the one that hit? Oh, the first one. Okay. The first one I ever published. Nice. Why not choose personal capital? Nah, bro, I just prefer, because I have a lot of leverage, so. But maybe by June this year, something around the region. But again, remember, I'm in China, so I might have some issues to deal with. So, brother, I lost around $15. So it's gonna make it all back again in one trade. That's good. That's good. That's good. But so you lost 4R. You lost 4 back to back. You took 4 back to back L's, and then you made it with one trade. So. That's good. It looks good, but again, if you took 4 L's and once it's like your win rate like 20%, so you should really work on that side. So pay attention on that side, bro. Less risk, more leverage. Exactly, man. For the let's just say I want to put 10k on a live account. 10k. How many challenges will I buy? Like probably like $1 million in evaluation. So a lot of leverage. I've been blowing accounts since November, so I decided to stop by accounts and study. The best thing you did, man. Bro, in a case of silver, now you wait for yeah, exactly. Not in 15. Yeah, if we have an M15 swing, that's perfect. If not, which I think in that case we are, because just look how far prices are retracing. So yeah, 15 swing with ideally one stage, correct correlation. I need a one stage. We already have a one stage here now, but this candle doesn't support expansion so far. Let me see the 3 minute. Even if I want to enter, it will be from here. The stop will be like a bit huge, so I cannot really enter. But I need like a one stage crack, and then yeah, crack and correlation, not crack. Gold or silver? Nah, bro, I will not. I will not try to go against the daily, just anticipating the low close. So this is the low close phase, like this is the open, high, low. Now you're trying to trade the low, high, the low close. So I don't want to trade that phase. I want to trade this. So I'm still anticipating that we're still gonna trade into that draw. I still think we'll manage to get here. Okay, let me see what happened right there. M15. So we got a new candle opening now, which is good. 30 minute, hourly. Okay, so the hourly just closed the gap, which is good. So now there's nothing really holding us from taking out these highs. So that's good. That sounds good. Okay. So yeah, if this hourly closes the C2, yeah, I'm gonna go take it back to this gap. There's nothing really here that would cause a price reverse. M5, the M5 is a bit shit, but still. Yeah, probably like this is the new validation level. So within the next hourly candle, probably sweep this one, sweep the gap, which is my favorite model so far. Close, stop there, take it to the next relevant swing. But again, with my 2 contracts, I don't know if I'll be risking my full 1 hour. Yeah, I know, but all my trades from this week were valid losses because everything was right and I followed my plan. That's perfect. If that's the case, yeah, that's perfect, man. And if that happened to you just this week, like you took 4 back-to-back L's, then yeah, that's a bit special. But if it tends to always happen and that's still your plan, then probably try to refine your plan, man. Oh, this is... Holy, bro. Literally no entries. I just know I was a poppin' pen, like a rock star. A rock star. But without 2 stage on CL, is that fine? Yep. Yeah, I just need one. I just need 1 stage because we kind of got like the fact that this is a new validation level to go higher. So I'll just trust this one. I already have this 1 stage, so yeah, I would trust it. My all-time winner is like around 60, 70. Perfect. No, this is like only to like, okay, bro, how much time? And the lens, 3 months. But now everything you need is for free, so you don't even need to join. This is just an advice. I know you do not trade 1 minute, but there's an SMT gap in gold, so. But yeah, I wouldn't. You mean on the M1 or the M15? So on the M15, yeah. Now we kind of closed that gap. We kind of closed that SMT is not valid anymore. So I don't know if Kafka. How can they show up without showing us? Like, I just want to go through them. Like, I don't wanna. Yeah, like, no, like this. Albums. On the 1 minute, yeah, I wouldn't really pay attention to the 1 minute, man. This album's good. Hollywood's Bleeding, such a good album. Stayed on my I just trade like you. I also trade GxT, but I'm my 2nd year trader. I started 2024 and I'm 17 years old. Perfect, man. Perfect. You'll be a millionaire by, I don't know, 25, 24. Hopefully. Best of luck, my brother. Best of luck. But I can't see. Let me guys do some stretches here. I need a standing desk. I really need one. Yeah, it is 17. I started also trading when I was 17. Now I'm 22. This is my 5th year trading. So it's really good, man. It's perfect, man. That's really good, and especially with the content that is now, like, back in 2020, there was not a lot of good content there, bro. Like, it was like FX Daniel Savage, Mamba FX, Lambo Raul, a lot of shitty content. Oh, but there was Raja Banks, not gonna lie. Raja Banks was a good one. Really good, man. Absolute Himal. If your name is Himal, I think you are from Nepal. Maybe if your name is Himal, I know a guy from Nepal. His name is Himal. So you're 50. You're still got a lot of time. ICT was not profit, bro. ICT was sorry, man. ICT is not the best. Like, if you want to learn his concepts from him, oh, that's too confusing, bro. It's just, I don't know. His way of explanation is not good. Like, if people took his concepts and made it a lot easier, so. 43. Nice. Nowadays it's so easy to make money. It is easy to make money, but again, it's also hard, man. Because there are a lot of distractions here and there, and every day there's a new thing coming up, and like distractions are everywhere. So it's like there are a lot of sources to make money, but also there are a lot of things to keep you distracted. So do you have private sessions? I think I need some advice or guide. Nah, I do not, bro. Well, maybe in the future. I don't know. But for now, nah. I'm 22. Perfect. You know Amrit from Nepal too. Amrit? Is that a trader or just you mean a name? Yeah, that's the goal with CL. You only want to see, so what we said, 30 minute, we got a gap, which is the new invalidation level, right? So why did not take that CISD? Even though this is a C2 and this is a C3, because we haven't really traded into that new invalidation level. So only when we trade into the invalidation level and then confirm a CISD, then that shows that we're gonna continue higher. So that's something for you guys to note. Not every C2 is valid, and especially with the C4 closing as a C2 to the downside. So this one is trying to trade in against that C4 just because we have a 30-minute C2. But if we have this hourly closure, and now we confirm a CISD here, then I would take it. Why? Because this would be just a catalyst for a pullback, this gap, to give me that open low, to then continue higher. Trading is the hardest way to make... Exactly. Bro, it took a lot of time. And even though now, after 5 years, I'm not making the amount that people claim they make. Like, I'm making a decent amount, not gonna lie, like a really decent amount, but not to the point where people describe. Yeah, I've never made like 100K a month. I did not. I know. I think that will take me another year or two, maybe like 2. No, like a year, maybe like a year. Yeah, bro, it's just crazy. Just like now, you see like FX Alex G. I don't know if that's real or not. I don't know. I'm not. But he calls out trades. That's a good thing. Like he posts on his stories the trades he takes. I don't know if it's a fraud or not, but yeah, it's just so. That's just a matter of capital, bro. It is, man, but also a it is, but also the mind, bro. Like also the mind. Some people have like a level where they reach maybe like 10K a month and then they stop. So I don't know where's my limit. So hopefully I can just keep going up and up and up. Would you? That's because of funding. Yeah, like for 100K, let's just say you want to make 100K a month. Let's say you make, I don't know, 10 R per month. So each winner is 10K. So if you take 2 R trades, so you need to be risking 5K. So you need to have 10 50K accounts, but then you're putting them into the risk, a lot of risk. So if you do the math, like this is how you would go about it. But still, like when you risk $500 per trade, it's a bit. That's what I do now. Like that's what I do. So that's why I'm trading with less accounts. I just want to go slowly, climb up, man. It's like, so what's your highest? I cannot tell, bro. It's I don't like the thing with me. I don't want to share any payout. I don't want to share, like the only thing, like even when I live stream, if you guys pay attention, I try to remove the money, and then soon I will get used to TraderVate, and I will just open TraderVate to the left, so that way you guys will not know how much I'm making, to be honest, man. Because yeah, it's just, yeah, I'm here just to kind of provide education and stuff. So no need for more trades or bigger trades, just stacking accounts. Yeah, what was your highest? I have 10 50K accounts, found a plan, just making out as many firms as possible, only risking. Perfect, man. 250 is perfect. But and the problem also is like with the limitations of prop firms, like they limit you to how much you can withdraw. So you have to pass like the daily. So for example, if you don't take a trade, like you might make 50K. Let's just say you might make 50K, but you're not allowed to withdraw that 50K because first, let's just say each account is only allowing you to take 3,000. So you got 10 accounts. So now you're the maximum you can take is 30,000 per payout. But the thing is, some days you will not trade, some days you will trade. So to get that 5 days for each one, it's like $150. Maybe it will take you 2 weeks, and depending on how much you take out, so it's a lot. And especially if you want to take out, if you want to, for example, 50K, you're not allowed to take 50K. You're only allowed to take 60% of the 50K. So you're only allowed to take, I don't know, 30K. So with the payout split, so it's a lot of math. And if you do 80%, so you only take 80% or 90% of 30K, so maybe like 24K. So now you went all the way from generating 50K to only withdrawing 24K. So it just, so if you want to take 100K, you should at least have like 150K. Apex, I cannot use Apex, bro. I'm banned. Not unbanned, like my country is banned, not me. So I cannot use Apex. If it was Apex, bro, that would be the easiest shit ever. It's not easy, but that would be the best because it's cheap. You can just full port them in one day. They cost $10, so you'll pass the account within the same day. Even if you lose, you like if you buy, I don't know, 10 accounts, each one for $20, you just lost $200. If you pass them, you have a full account ready to go. So it's Apex fund intakes and FNLCD. Yep, as you should master the strategy, the money exactly, man. So slowly just spread across farms. Yeah, that's a valid one. Always have at least 4 evals on. Yeah, I've just captured all of them and risk more evals 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, 1.5k. If you wanna go 5 and 1.5k, if you want to go with 250, then yeah, so you'll be risking 750. But if you're gonna go with on a fund at 500 and now you're risking 1500, maybe you'll have like a 1 or 2 trades, room of error. So let's see what is going on here. Okay, so we're getting a C2 here. Before becoming a trader, did you do something else? Like, oh, I tried everything you could think of, man. I tried everything you could think of. Anywhere drilling, I really have no idea, man, because my country is banned from EPAC, so I cannot really use it. Seasons are inside of love and it go. Cause we can let it go. Okay, so we got Euro just closing the gap. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, good. We had a few payouts with them, Apex. All good. I've had a few payouts with them. Perfect, man. Perfect. How much years it took you to become profitable? Almost 4 years, man. You just have to watch the trailing drawdown. Yeah, that's one of, or you have to cut trades early, man. Like just like go for 1-on-1 quickly, close your trade, just to build that buffer, and then you can. But once you get a buffer, it's fine. Yeah, exactly. 405 accounts, 3 days, 3 weeks, 80% is 1 month for least month. 450 multiplied by 5 accounts, multiply for 3 days and 3 weeks, 80% is 1 month for least month. But I think you're talking about like a big month, like in terms of payment. I did not really get what you meant there, but yeah, 400 by 5 is like 2k. Took in 3 weeks, like 6k. 80% is like 6, I don't know, 612, 28. I don't know. I always wanted to do dropshipping, but my brother told me to start trading. Trading is a lot better. No, especially now, like the dropshipping is so saturated, bro, in my opinion. If you don't have like a good capital to start with or like a good brand. No, branding is the way to go, man. Dropshipping is just, yeah. If you have the money to do a brand, it's a lot better. Because why am I gonna get from you? Like, only your name is gonna talk about you. Like, so having a brand is the only way to go now, I guess. It's everywhere. Everything is going toward branding. All right, we got a 2 stage here. We got a 1 stage. Let me see. Okay. Come on, give me the CISD silver, please. Oh, let me just take this one here. Yeah, I would be willing to take this one, boys, by the way. I'll take it up to the draw. Take it down to the draw. Is the TTFM less effective the further we are into the secant formation? For example, trading a C5 is riskier than yeah, exactly. Because now we're like, the model is you want to trade the C3, which is the start of the expansion, because the C2 is always the reversal, the expansion into reversal, and then you're anticipating the C3 to be the expansion. So expansion happened during C3, C4, now we're trading C5. This is that swing that is protected. Now we're entering here, so it's riskier, of course. Let me see how many subs we got. Okay, we still need 1 subscriber for 1100. Wow, perfect. Thank you, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and give the channel a subscribe. Go ahead, guys, and subscribe to the channel, and also like the live stream if you haven't already. That's the best way you guys can help the channel out to grow. Yeah, to keep pushing stronger. So yeah, if you guys like the live streams, I hope you guys just give it a thumbs up. So I love your live stream. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Least amount of members you can have with amount and days of trading. Least amount of numbers you can have with amount days. Exactly. I love it. Thanks, my brother. Thank you. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed and you're from the family, then yeah, I think if you haven't gave the live stream a like, go ahead and do so. That would really help the channel grow. Yeah. So this channel is not even monetized, so there's... Oh, what did I do? Wait. I refreshed. Me too. These streams are helping so much. Thank you, guys. Welcome. I'm glad that you guys are finding benefits. So do you consider average daily range at all levels overextended today? Still confident floor pressure, just trade into nearest lows. Yeah, I would just want to trade into nearest lows, but again, if this one keeps expanding, I'm not really gonna care about it. Yeah. If we got that SMT, then that low is like close proximity low. There's still room to expand. But yeah, if price just continues, like if we form a swing here, I'll less likely I would enter. If we form a swing here, maybe because we're just aligned with that AQ. So I would view it as just price wanted to rebalance the range, so now it will continue. But if just price made like a deep retracement, then yeah, I would not really. What do you think about GGR? He lost like 1 million in 2 months. I really don't know, man. But he's a funny guy though. He knows how to market himself. Like, I need to learn from him, man. How he got yeah, he grows following a lot, so maybe I need to learn from him. 1 million in 2 months? Damn, bro, that's a lot. But if his trades are real, bro, it takes like 100k days, 200k days. It's just insane, bro. The numbers are insane. I don't know, bro, if that's true or not. TGR is also fraud. So let me ask you guys something. Let me tell you guys, I really want to ask you guys a question. So how you decide if somebody's a fraud or not? How? Can you guys give me an answer? $1 million them. Are you in Morocco? No, I'm not in Morocco right now. Check oil. It's not looking good, man. It's not looking good. Yeah, like even though with this information, but it doesn't look at that, bro. Like the 5 minutes, just we're 6 minutes in the candle and look at that expansion lower. So it's just, yeah, it's just not, bro. I don't want to enter here. It's not looking good. If he fakes trades. Okay, just a lot of cases with TCR, this broker is one red flag. They don't show results, they never lose. If they are lying or don't what they promise. Okay. I see GxT Instagram post recap 16.1 NQ trade. Can you explain more for this? In my opinion, I want to NQ. I don't know which trade they took. I don't really know which trade. Is it today? Yesterday? I don't know which trade. Oh, it's today. Because it's just 17 just for me now. I have no idea, man. In Europe, we have the best time for trading. The New York session starts at 2. And the rest. Where are you from? Where are you from, by the way? Absolute Hemo. You're legit never. You're legit. Joking, no worries, man. I got you. I know. The city where I'm from, it's called the city of laughter. So, it's called Marrakesh. Let's see what is. No, four. Let me show you guys. No, not this one. Message details. Some days later, not this one. I don't think it's here. Like for us, we are called البهجة and البهجة. Let me translate English to Arabic. Let me show you guys one. Like this is what this city is called. So let's take Arabic and do. This is more of like happiness. This is what the city is known for. So we take jokes. Like for example, if somebody from my city meets with somebody from another city, so just like you, fall. I can read your name just like you. So we try to joke a lot, but yeah, people don't take our jokes. So yeah, so for you when you did that, it's just like so good for me. Like I feel like you're from my city, so that's good. Germany, but I'm from Iraq. Nice. Nice. الله مبارك. العراق. صدام حسين. London. Nice, bro. From London. From London, mate. Yeah, each other just expanding. Let's see. Each other looks clean, wow. Compared to CL. Are there any oil fields in Morocco? Man, I hope they're not, bro, because Trump is gonna take our Trump is gonna make some trouble, which there is the biggest what is it called? I don't know. What's his name? Phosphate? Yeah, we got I think biggest reserve of phosphate. Let me check. Reserve of phosphate. I think it's Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. I think that's what we got, like the biggest reserve of phosphate, which controls all the agriculture stuff. So we got 70%. So if America wants to fuck around, then we're gonna get her the phosphate, which they can use to plant and eat. I don't know if that's if we export to USA or not, but yeah. Where does Morocco export phosphate? To USA. Let me see if it does. Yes, Morocco is a major exporter of phosphate and phosphate. Nice. Despite facing ongoing US traffic and legal challenges, significant volumes of phosphate. Nice. Yeah. So even if we had oil, we're safe. Yeah, no worries. Are there any Mate, I'm about 30 miles north of London. Do you guys know that I was gonna go working in the UK? Do you guys want to guys see something? Like, I don't know, I'm sharing my personal life, but no worries. Let me show you guys something. I was gonna work as a flight attendant. And my base was gonna be London. Before coming to China. Let me log into my Gmail here. Bro, that's so bad. I'm still logging into my Gmail. HO looks really clean. Like we got the H1. Even though like it was ranging, but still we got this sweep with a gap, which still. Let me confirm login. Yeah, it's good, man. But the thing is, like, for the flight attendant, by the age like 35, then yeah, you're gonna get kicked out, and what am I gonna do next? So I had the chance to become either flight attendant or come to China to study. And back then I was 19 years old. But big airlines accept 21, but the airline was accepting from 18. Yeah, man. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So it's here. Back in 2023. Do I want to show the whole email? Okay, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. Just here. Like, as you have been selected to be based in UK, you will need to book English IELTS test in UK base. It must be done before 20 Tata guidelines available in Rabat and Casablanca. Please use it. So yeah, and the link below you will find the list of approved UK doctor for yeah. So for UK visa appointment. So, and then so that was like back in April, and I already booked my ticket for China. It was for May, and I was like, should I go to China study, or should I go and work? And at the same time, I was trading, I was unprofitable. So I was like, which one am I gonna do? And then I picked China. I was like, you know what? At some point in my life, I'm gonna start working. So let me not just start working at 18 years old. Because if that's the issue. Like, if you wanna study later on, you cannot. But if you wanna work, you can. So let's just say by 25, I decide, okay, I wanna become a flight attendant. Let's just imagine. I was a software engineer, I can. But if I was a flight attendant, I wanna become a software engineer, it's harder, man. Because by 25, which school is gonna take you for a bachelor's degree? No school, so. No school will take you, so that was the issue. Have you ever visited Vietnam? Vietnam is like, nah, bro, I did not. Holy, this one ended up. I think I'm going to. Not, maybe not. Maybe Vietnam. I'm gonna go to. Not really, but maybe like next month I might go to. I want to go to 2 countries or 3. Maybe Vietnam will be one of them. But I'm planning to go Thailand, Malaysia, and then I want to go to another country. That's if I manage to these 2 countries. But again, let's wait and see. Maybe I will visit Vietnam. Have you been there, or are you from Vietnam? If you have, or if you're Vietnam, give me some suggestions, bro. I think we missed HO, bro. I think I missed HO, man. That's really unfortunate. What the fuck did I just do? Look at this. This is like, holy shit, bro. What's up? Oh, my days. Man. But are you still working? No, bro, I'm not. I've never worked. I just worked like here in China. I've never been a flight attendant. I just got the acceptance letter and I did not go. Came back to London. Nice. I'm Vietnamese. I live in. Nice, man. If we're going to Singapore, we should. I don't know if the visa is easy or not. I think to get the visa for Singapore, I think it's a little bit hard. Based on what I've heard. Nice, man. If I go to Vietnam, I'm gonna shoot you a message, man. We can meet there. You can help me go to nice places. We can go together, man. Okay, holy. Back to trading now. What the? Let me see what is going on. If we're going to... let me see what is going on here. Alright. I think this is looking good. I think... Nice. Okay, so we got the SMT with the highs. Do we have any good cleaner tracement? No, we don't. If this was just a bit stronger, you know what? We might take gold here, boys. Expanded. We're continuing that expansion lower. M15. We traded within a C2. We just traded back into the gap. That looks a bit clean. Which password do you have? Password? You mean passport? Which passport? Citizenship? Moroccan. Yeah. I'm gonna take this, guys. This is gonna go for 1 or 2. Let me log into my trader bait. Any a bit left and do this. Okay, we're back. If we get the CISD, I'm gonna take this one. It looks clean. It is strong. Yeah, it is, but I just want to treat the C2. Trade above the high. We're within a gap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and trust this one. 30 minute, like the 30 minute doesn't really support expansion. M15, it does. But let's see if we're gonna get it or not. But like HO was a clean one, not gonna lie, bro. I missed out on a really good trade on HO. If I wanna get to R. What's up? Let me do something here. We got the gap. A new gap opening. You can just put stops at the body. Go for the high. Like went for 2 contracts. How much? Oh my god, bro. Bro, I should work on my skills on managing live streams, bro. Sometimes I get caught up in talking. I need to kind of learn how to manage both, like live stream and also like have fun at the same time. Sometimes I just get too caught up. Let me check. Is it strong? How much is flight attendant money? 2,500 pounds, I guess. 3,000 pounds, I guess. Around that range. Can you use SMT PSP before the candle closes if you're confident it closes one? Or do you always go for candle closure? If I'm anticipating a PSP as a cracking correlation, I will wait for the candle to close. If I'm using the SMT as a cracking correlation, then I will trust it. Oh, RB also was super clean. To the highs. To go for the high. Voila. Damn, what did I miss? Do you feel like you missed a lot of trades? Because sometimes, yeah, I feel like I missed some trades. Now the only thing to do is just like wait for maybe like a 1-stage cracking correlation for CL to catch up there. That's the only thing we can do right now, which is a bit unfortunate. So we have this SMT fill here. Okay. Don't tell me to shut up. I want you out of my bed. There's no way I can see. Let's see. Let me rejudge this. Let me see what's going on. So we got formed below 10 a.m. We're expanding within that 10 a.m. And 15. Do we have a new invalidation level within that 4-hour range? Come on. And 15. We're gonna have this. Or a block. Are we gonna form something there? Hopefully HO flips bearish. Ideally I want to trade the catch up for like HO to kind of trade back up into probably these highs. The higher the high, while kind of CL catches up to the high. So let's see if we're gonna get a calculation there. Hopefully, yeah. Like RB was formed really cleanly. Not gonna lie. But if I wanted to target, I would target this level instead of the high. Let's see. So for NQ, let's just redo the analysis, man. So the 4-hour, we formed the high, the candle here. So this is 10 a.m. It already expanded lower. There's nothing really else to kind of reverse off of other than this low, so it's really far away. So if you want to take shorts, ideally you want to trade back into the current low of day, or you can take long, so kind of rebalance this range, which is from this high to low. But there's nothing really to kind of work with right now. We don't have a swing here. We don't have EC2, we don't have EC3, but on YM we do have EC2, so that's why we're kind of seeing that expansion back into the range. If you really check like from high to low, I'm trying to rebalance that range, but again, there's no two-stage there or something to kind of trade the reversal. There was nothing really here to kind of trade the reversal other than the C2, other than the hourly C2. And even if you want to get involved, in the hourly C2, there's no way for you to get involved. Let me check if I have an SMT fail. We do. Like the only thing you maybe could have justified is this SMT fail. And then the CSD, but that's like before, that's like literally the last candle that within that 10 a.m. So you could have maybe caught this long, but it's not the best. There's no two-stage there. Wait, there is a two-stage. No, there is not. We only have a one-stage here. So ideally, I just want to seek failures to manipulate due to the fact that we have this looks like a protected hive day. I want to trade away from the hive day, especially that the daily candle is already bearish. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that realignment of that 10 a.m. candle. Like this is the 10 a.m. open. It's still looking bearish. 10 a.m. we have SMT with the high, I guess, right? Yeah, we do have an SMT at the high 10 a.m. So yeah, I just want to seek some sort of continuation lower. All right, perfect. That looks like it might close the C2 and it might be. So we got a one stage here with YM, and also we got this one here. So that shows that NQ is the mid asset. When you have two SMTs, like with one lower and one higher, so this one is stronger than an asset and weaker than an asset, so it might be the mid asset. If you got two SMTs, it's like the easy way to see like which one is stronger or weaker. So far this looks stronger. This is kind of that weakest, and this one is the just in terms of like the last 30 minutes. But if you really check, like YM did already take out the high, took it before. Do you know image trading? Yeah, I do. There was NQ shorts available. There was NQ shorts available. For now, not. For now, we might have this C2, and then I would be seeking out like continuations lower, especially if this one closes a PSP and a C2, and we have this SMT. So that's C2 stage, so I would be willing to trade it, but on M3, there is nothing really there. Maybe I will take ES is the only one that has like this posing run, but still. Or maybe take this M5. I think I have M5. Okay, just to kind of know what's going on there. So yeah, that's really it. Once I got an open draw, we just traded above a level. So ideally, we can see that retracement back somewhere in here and then trade the continuation. That would be ideal. Wait, let me see what's going on with RB. Shoot it into that gap. $13.09. Here, maybe like an M1. No, it's not, bro. I did not. Okay, let me just go back. Focus on M15. All right. So yeah, this looks just expanded higher, so we're just gonna give it some time. Silver is really trading back into the range, which is not really great. Yeah, which is not really great. We got BSB, which goes the reversal. 30 minutes. $10.09, 3 minutes. No, I did not take it, bro. This. It should be 10.12, not 10.09. The CSD, no, I did not take it because it was so close to the draw. And especially after taking out all these lows, I really wanted some sort of lower time frame manipulation, so that's why I did not take it. Yeah, I think price is just gonna start slowly crawling up. CL, silver. All right, let me see what's going on here. Yeah, I think we're not gonna get a trade here, boys. Interesting. Are we gonna get this hourly CISD on silver? If we do, there is nothing really. All right, let's just wait for the hourly candles to close. Okay. If I get this, I'm gonna take HO. Just letting you guys know. I would be willing to take HO in that case if we kind of form that high and then like that opposing candle here. Ideally, if we take out this level, that would be like so ideal. If not, then just kind of sweeping that gap, I would be willing to take it to the high. Or just trying to squeeze 2R out of it. Just taking that continuation, especially that CL. None of the two other assets traded into that same high. So I would still anticipate that we might, if we get the leading asset showing a fair to manipulate, that it might still kind of trade up into that high. Or CL trading lower here, taking out this low, and then CISD in. Because that would be some sort of M15. Yeah, that would be an M15 cracking correlation. It looks like this is some sort of low, which aligns with like M15 level, which I think. Oh, already we have a two-stage. Okay, we have a two-stage here. Okay, we have a not two-stage, just in one. It is a two-stage. Okay, so we got a two-stage. Now I just need a clean or block like this. This one is really clean, but again, it's so close to the draw. M5, hopefully it'll be lower. Okay, the M5 looks really clean. Okay, I would be willing to take this one, guys. I would be willing to take this one, by the way. This CISD, if we get it, I'm gonna take this one. It's a bit late to the party. I'm a bit late to the party, but still, we got confirmation, so. And I will try to go for 2R. Just 2R. Let me see, beyond the high, what do we got? A huge fat can. Okay, this is the Wednesday high. This is Wednesday's high. Okay, so I might just be willing to take it. Or I might take CL. I might take CL. especially we're kind of sweeping that gap right now. Let's see. Yeah, so I would be open one. Like ideally, like CL is better. Why? Due to the fact that this 2R is like to the high itself, which is good. M15, we still got the 2-stage hold in. So yeah. If I want to take this one, how much would it? Okay, I got CL here. So let me just put CL here. How much that would be for risk wise? Because I'm only allowed to take 2 contracts. Let's see. So that way I can just manage only 2, 180. Oh my god. Okay, it's alright. I can take $180. Alright, so if we get this CISD, I'm gonna take it, boys. It shows also setting up nicely, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. 3 minutes. Yeah, the M5 looks a lot cleaner. Let's see. So I'm just gonna set on alert right there. RB. There's nothing really. Like the CISD is really far away from the current price, so I'm not really gonna take it right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. ES. NSCs are not really doing anything here significant. So as long as these 2 stages still holding, like we're just 4 minutes into the new M15 candle. So remember that. So it still has room for expansion. It still has room for expansion. So let's just wait and see. Would the PSP on M15 metals be good enough for you to short? Which one? Let me check. It is good, but bro, like just with how far price your trades, like just not good, not the best. But yeah, I would like. But you need to wait for the CISD. Yeah, you need to wait for the CISD. 30 minute. If I have a 2 stage on 30 minute, that would be also better. Just in 1 stage on 30 minute. But yeah, I'm just gonna set an alert right there, and then if it ends up, then we can see how price is doing. So I'm just gonna put it a bit above. That way I'll have time to see what's going on. Okay, just formed in yellow. So I think now I'll be risking around. I'm not sure. Anyways, oil has been given more opportunities than it was. Yeah, actually, my whole only I took 1 ES trade. No, not. Wait, I took. Yeah, literally, I just traded oil and metals this week. I haven't taken NSCs. I haven't taken a single NSC trade. Okay, so the 2 stage is broken for now. So that's not traded lower. Let me check on RB. Yeah, so we don't have the 2 stage right now. So the only thing we can do is like probably wait for this T2 closure. And then we might have another crack correlation. Look, RB is expanding lower, so. But yeah, I think still, if we get this M5, I would still be willing to take it. Just got an email from Chief Provider by approved. Congrats, man. Nice. Nice, man. Nice. Perfect, boys. Perfect. Let's see. 30 minutes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't think none of the assets are gonna reverse now. They're just slowly crawling back up, so. Maybe this gap. This is like the last chance. Or since we already have this SMT. Yeah, so we just need to wait for 23 minutes. So. Okay. Let me see. Let me check what do we have right there. Give me guys 1 second. I'm gonna log off my trader rate and open it on the other tab. So let me just take it off from silver instead of log out, log in here. Looks like we might have a trade setting up here. So okay, so I just logged in. Perfect. Okay, so we just logged in. So if we get this CIZ, that would be perfect. That would be a $240 risk, $400. Like that's the problem with now NCs with oil. Even if I take this 2-hour winner, and if I want to go in NQ and take a 1-hour loss, then I would be break even. Just the RR didn't really do anything here. So like I'm gonna take 4 or 5 contracts on my, if they allowed me to, but they don't allow me. So I'm just gonna go here with 2. That's if we end up getting that entry. Yeah, price just trading high, bro. Like, not really. Nothing there interesting. 30-minute, yeah. Hourly, yeah. Nothing interesting. Can the 30-minute PSP candle on NQ and YM act as a SMR for you to? SMR. What does SMR mean? Smart money reversal? Maybe smart money reversal. I don't know. For you to long, the 11 a.m. 30-minute. Like ideally, I just want to take short. I don't want to take longs actually. Or maybe with proper M15 cracks from correlation, I would try to just with the anticipation that we will rebalance the range. That's everything that I will do. Like back into the high. Just take it back to the higher, the current 10 a.m. candle. Can the wait, let me check. Can the 30-minute PSP candle, 30-minute PSP candle, 30-minute PSP candle on NQ and YM act as smart universe 32 long at 11 a.m.? Not really. I wouldn't really be interested in longs right now, man. Like if it goes, it goes. Like the daily highs here. We got a clean expansion. We have a gap that is here, so yeah. Right, 8.5. Another great stream. Thank you, man. There's a lot. Looks forward to Rex. All right, perfect. I'm just gonna go ahead and schedule the stream for tomorrow, guys. So we'll do it maybe at 8:30. We can do it for like an hour or 2. Back to 7, and then we can call it a day tomorrow. Perfect, perfect, brother. Yeah, that one is just dumping below. Like this, HO is good. I really wanted HO to kind of retrace a little bit lower for me to be able to get a better entry. Because we already traded above a relevant high. I need some sort of cracking correlation or a lower term frame manipulation. Hopefully we can form that second stage. We got 5 minutes for the candle to close. And then trade that next candle higher. Up into that next high. That would be good. That would be a good one to take. Let's see. So overall, we're still respecting the gap. Like on the 30 minute, let me check. Yeah, the gap is still doing its job. Literally, the gap is still holding. So let's see. Let's just wait. That's the thing with trading, man. Like the only thing you can do is just sit on your hands, wait, without knowing if you're gonna get the trade or not. That's the beauty of it. How will you announce the backtest on YouTube? Yeah, I will schedule the stream just like I do with my daily streams. I will just schedule a stream, or maybe I will announce it on Instagram. But I don't have. Yeah, guys, if you haven't followed my Instagram, there's an Instagram link below. You can go ahead, guys, and give me a follow on Instagram. So I'll start probably telling you guys. I'll probably start being more active on Instagram. So I've got now just like 32 followers. So yeah, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. And yeah, I'm just gonna start publishing. I'm just gonna might be more active on it. So if there's any update or anything that I want to post or I want to let you guys know, then I'm just gonna post it on Instagram. All right, we just got a new follower. His name is, can I say his name? Okay, you know here we are. Okay, so go back to my yeah, so I will go ahead and let you guys on Instagram what time and everything. Can you do the backtesting? Yeah, tomorrow we'll do the backtesting in Robson. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll do the backtesting session. How many subs we have? Have we got a new sub? Wow, we got. Look at this, guys. We're growing. Slowly building our way up. Thank you, guys. All the love for these people that trusted the channel. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Do you guys know that this is one of the dreams that I'm just achieving right now? Is I always wanted to have a YouTube channel and like have people to interact with, like to have a following. So now, yeah, I feel like the. Let me show you guys something. You guys will love content. Let me show you guys when I used to upload on YouTube. Like this is me back in 2017. So look at the date, 2017. I wanted to do YouTube. So yeah. So now, yeah. Miss Cocolino, PXC. All right. You're growing every day, bro. Yeah, man. It's been like from the start of January. It's been going a good run, man. It's been going in a good run. Yeah, just the consistency pays off, man. Robson was from the beginning. Like Robson, you know, like I was at 2-3 viewers back in August, September. Yeah, now like 34. It's just like 10 times more, and we got more subs. It's going good. Like we used to have like 60, 70 viewers. I don't know why today there are less. Maybe like due to the fact that it's Friday. I don't know, or maybe I'm not sure. But yeah. So it's good. It's good to see the growth, man. Oh wait, let me check. No, I show speed is in Algeria. Let me check. Am I gonna get a copyright if I show his stream? Let me see. In real life, Sahara Desert. I think next they'll go to Morocco. W for everyone. Thank you guys, thank you. All right. Yeah, I think there's nothing really going on here, boys. CL is might be the only saver. This is the only trade we might get here today. W for everyone. Yeah, it is, man. Like just everybody's winning. You guys enjoying the content, learning something from it. Yeah, I'm here doing what I love. It's a win-win. That's good. Is Speed go to Morocco now? I think he's in Algeria now. Maybe it will go. I'm sure, yeah, it will go. I saw it in the pictures. I think it will go. But when? I'm not sure. Maybe like next stream. Because Algeria is so close to Morocco, so I'm sure he will. And like Morocco is the most visited country in Africa, so I think, yeah, maybe we'll spend like 2 to 3 days there. Yeah, there's nothing really going on here, boys. Yeah. the only thing we can kind of frame is, so we got a C2 here, which confirmed the low at 10 a.m. The next candle is a C3. We just traded into a relevant swing. So if this one manages just to close above the high, I would still seek C4 expansion into that current high of day and also the high, but it just needs to close like that, or an M15 one stage or two stage, especially that the next invalidation level is the gap. So we're sitting within the gap right now. The only thing we need is the new swing formation or a two stage. If RB closes like this, then most likely we'll have a two stage, at least in one stage. That's if it doesn't close bullish. If this one closes bullish, then we'll have a PSP. And due to the fact that this one is not closing near the low, most likely will form the higher high, while HO and RB that are closing near the lows will have something like this. So we'll have a two stage, and then we can take it back to the upside. That would be the most ideal setup formation. So yeah, hopefully what we really want to, like the M30, there's no new invalidation level. We can also fill to CISD. M15, we do have a CISD, and also we have the new invalidation level, which is the gap. So ideally we want to see that gap holding for us to continue higher. If not, then yeah, the whole idea of taking buys might not be there. So I know we might trade back into this gap now. After forming like the high of day, we have this SMT here, like that SMT. This might also be something, but again, there's nothing really here to kind of frame a CISD. The only CISD and RB is here. CISD and CL is here, but again, it's so close to the low. So yeah, ideally we want to see this new invalidation level hold. Let me pause the music, bro. My ears are hurting me. Stop. Okay, I don't want to listen to anything anymore. Just put my earphone. Okay. Okay, so ES and NQ again. I just want to try to seek new continuations. Yeah, I just want to seek a continuation lower, away from the high of day. So this is the high of day, from the lower low, just like a basic market structure. Yeah, I just want a lower high to form and then kind of get that expansion lower. That's really what I'm trying to see. Check gold. Gold, there's nothing really here, man. We just gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and then yeah, we can decide what's going on here, what's popping up. Like I wanted to get the CISD, but it failed. Now it failed. So I'll just wait for the 30-minute candle to close, and then we can see what's going on. 4 hour from the high chain and away from the high, or I just want to trade maybe along the, like after this candle sits up, maybe we can trade the one stage continuation, because the low is a bit far away, so there is distance. If price wants to continue lower, I'm sure we'll at least have a one cracking correlation if price just doesn't want to expand right away. So we got a 30-minute. We kind of trading away from the gap. Let's just see. So we just got the CISD. There's no cracking correlation here. That's the only thing. So there is no cracking correlation here. So I'll just wait for one. Like that's the only thing I need. If we get an M15, like probably another M15 candle, and then we get that one stage, then that would be good. That would give me the confidence for the expansion. But for now, the only thing we have is the 30-minute closure. Which it is also good. Not gonna lie, it's also good. But we don't have any lower time frame SMGs, no higher time frame SMGs, no M15. Hourly, same. We don't have. So yep, we just gotta wait a little bit for me. Like for me, I will wait. Okay, so it seems like HO wants to go up. RB, okay. RB is looking really nice. Okay, I'll wait for that 3-minute candle to form, and then I'll probably take a trade away from the gap. M5. Yeah, RB. I think RB is gonna be the play. Holy, it just expanded. Okay. Can take this IST. We're not getting any one crack. We cannot get any one stage here at least. We don't have any one stage here. So we're only kind of holding that new invalidation level, which is good, which is the gap, which is good. 30-minute. Do we have anything? Not really. M15. GC does have a PSP on the third candle on M15's. Yeah, here, this one. Where was it? This one? But it's not really anything, man. Like now we're within the third candle, so I would not really use that one. If there's a PSP here, yeah, I would use it. PSP here, I would use it. This one, I wouldn't really care about it. Because we had a PSP, but it still got taken out. The high got taken out. This one got taken out, so it did not do anything there. Okay, I just need that second stage, and I will try to take. I just need a one stage at least. We don't have a one stage here. Like in terms of the M15, we don't. Yeah, we only have like this M3. This one is higher high, this one lower high. But again, this is just lower time frame PA, so ideally I want to say like an M15 cracking correlation. One stage. I think I will go ahead and put HO here. And then I will go and put RB here. It's been a while. What the? Yeah, RB is looking good. This is really good, bro. But there's just no stage, two stage. That's the only issue. Yeah, the only thing, there's no two stage. Like I'm trading with any C2, and there's no one stage or two stage. That's the only problem. If just we had one, that would be perfect. Like, yeah, we don't have, bro. So I just need to wait for the next candle. If I miss this trade, yeah, then it is what it is. But we don't have a one stage. We don't have a. We only have this SMG. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Hopefully we'll manage to get something there. M5. Let's see. So gold silver is bearish now. Yeah, it's more leaning toward being bearish. But I just want to see like if we're one crack. Like I need a cracking correlation before taking a trade. Like that's a must for me. So since we don't have anything here, then yeah, it's just gonna go. If it wants to go to the high, good luck. Like some people might say, oh, we have this high, this is low, but it's not an M15 level. M15 we don't have. M30 we don't have. Hourly we don't. So there's nothing there that we can take. It taps daily for value gap. If I get my one stage cracking correlation, because now if there's a gap here and I'm seeing highs getting protected, cracks and correlations to the downside, lows are still available, then I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. They wouldn't really cause that, because if this wants to continue lower, we will have at least one stage to the downside, like with the highs, like something here from the high or from the next M15 candles high with the next, something like this. We will have one. If not, then yeah, we're not gonna take a trade. So yeah, so far we don't have any one stage, so we're just gonna go ahead and wait. There's nothing really here we could take. We'll wait for 4 minutes for this hourly, 30 minute, 15 minute candle closure, and then if we manage to frame a trade, now we have a C2. So the only thing you can trade now is this C2 closure. Now you can trade the C3, anticipating the C3, but still it would be better if we form a one stage or two stage. What's up brother, what's up? Check again. That's good. We have E2 stage here. That's good. But again, this candle doesn't support expansion, so you should just trade the next candle, which is this is now a C2. And 5 do have a CISD, we do. This candle doesn't support expansion, so I'm not really gonna say. You can take the CISD to the highs. This looks good. ES looks clean. Also YM. Oh, YM looks way better. All right. Okay. Let me check. If I get this one here. That's a 2R. Okay. That's interesting. I think I'm going to go ahead, guys, and might take YM. Anticipating that this might be a C2 closure. Okay, we'll anticipate that this is a C2 closure. Again, if we get the closure below, that would be a C2 closure. And I'm just gonna anticipate this is the high that is protected. I'm just gonna probably put my stop here instead. I'm just gonna target this one. Create limit order. I'm just gonna go ahead and put YM here. Let's see if we can manage to close below. If we close below, then that would be perfect. 2 contracts. I'll go with 2 contracts. Okay, perfect. If I get this M5 CISD, I'm gonna take it. Anticipating that this is the high, because we also have the PSP. This is the second stage, so this should be a protected. Like, this is kind of that reversal high, and I'm putting my stop at the reversal high, so I don't really need to wait for like the confirmation, the further confirmation. But again, only if we get the closure below, and I need like a closure somewhere around here, like to close somewhere around here, because look how price traded all the way down here and then kind of retraced back. So RB is forming a gap, which is this might be that continuation gap, but still, let's just wait and see. All right, come on, give me a clean closure. I'm gonna take you. If not, then I'll have to wait for the next candle, for the next M5 candle to confirm the closure. Yeah, I just need the next M5 candle to confirm the closure. Let me see what happened here. Yeah, I just gotta wait. I'm not gonna take the M3. The M3 we already have a CISD here, or we can trade up into the gap. Trade up into the gap, CISD. Then this is the new protected level within the 12 a.m. candle. But the 10 a.m. doesn't really support expansion anymore. It opened here. We have like a delayed protection profile. We formed the high, then the low. Now we're forming the high. So let's just see. So yeah, that would be the only thing with this gap. If we're getting a CISD. So by the time we're gonna get a CISD, also the M5 is gonna close below. So did you take a trade today? Nope, not yet. Bro, it is almost 12 now. Is that okay to trade? Yeah, I'm just gonna trade the full 4-hour candle, bro. Yo, bro, can you shout out my bros told me? Bro, can you shout out my bros Tommy and Aldred? Yeah, shout out to Tommy and Aldred. shout out to Zach. I feel like I'm famous now. Let's see. Wait. So what I'm going to do is just going to keep an alert here. Keep an alert. Keep another one maybe somewhere in here. Okay. Put CL here. CL was here, so let's just see what is going on. RB equal lows. Joe 115. Still forming a low. Okay, that's good. This one is also setting up nicely. Like especially HO, setting up nicely. But YM is a bit better, so let's see. Because I'm only allowed to take 1 trade, so ES, we already got the closure below. This candle is already trading lower, so all right, let's see. That's good. Getting a swing formation. Take that off. Okay. Let's see. All right, we've seen the expansion higher. Are we gonna get the closure in HO? think we are. Show's looking really clean. Are we gonna get the YM trade? I guess we're gonna get the YM, so I cannot really take HO. And also this level I haven't been formed off of a gap or something, so. But it's looking good. We don't have V1 stage, so. I think we might get YM right now. So the M5 is gonna close now, within a minute, so just wait. Let's just wait. Let's see what Q's doing. Why not NQ? Because yeah, just I like the assets that sweeps. I always prefer the asset that sweeps, so if this one sweeps, I just prefer it overall. Just a personal preference. And yeah, and it looks clean as like in terms of the M5, like we got it clean. Structural level that you can use for a CIST for that one, like this, I cannot really trust this one. So yeah, I just prefer YM overall. And also it's a bit closer to the draw. I think it's a bit closer compared to NQ. So just wait and see what are we gonna get here. What time is it? 1 a.m. Okay. Okay, so on to 20 minutes we have a PSP. NQ is straight and lower. That's good. Okay, so the M5 closed bullish. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna go back to the gap. This seems like each O might be pushing higher, but again, we're just waiting for YM to take that full 1R. Hopefully, we can manage to get something there. No sound? Yeah, I was muting myself because I was listening to something. Y'all can hear me now? Now it's good. Good. 1 second, I'll be back. Just drink some water and be back. All right, seems like we're gonna get that set up. Now back with full energy. Back to music. All right. Yeah, I gave it a CISD. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna then stop. Let's see. Okay. So I don't want to see that. Yeah, that seam closure. Okay. So ideally, I want to see somewhat of closure, like a bit lower, maybe like lower than this low. Yeah, hopefully. Let's see. ES kind of traded from the gap now, trading away from the gap, which is good. So we got good signs here. I gotta switch it to here really quickly because this is where trade of it is at. I'm gonna put it here, M5. Or what you can do is like probably wait for the M3. It's a bit high probable compared to. You might wait, you might miss it, but still, this is also really good, really clean, and I think he'll manage to make a bit more in terms of RR. 2.65. Let me set it M5. We haven't gotten closure. Okay, so we'll have to wait. Probably like this M3. Probably this M3. Just put it there. Stops there. 2 contracts. Perfect. Let's see if we're gonna get that one or not. What? No, I don't want to listen to this. NQ about a form and SMT in 3 minutes. 3 minutes, okay. 3 minutes. Somewhere in here. I guess it did with like these lows. All right, let's see, guys. If you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, maybe we can reach. Do you think we still got 27? Do you think, guys, we can get 27 over the weekend? I think we can get 27 over the weekend. If I post a video, maybe I can post. Maybe after we do the live stream, I can go ahead and post that video. Yeah, and then maybe we can. Maybe just record the whole back distance session and then upload it to YouTube as a video. Then maybe we can get 27. Yeah, maybe we can get like 1200. That would be good. 1200 subs. Let me show you guys something. Like I started this month. Let me see the growth. Like the growth just over the. It was really good. So I hope it keeps continuing like this. So we gained from January. Just January, 360 subs. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys. That means a lot. That really means a lot. All right. Will he go? Yeah. I will. But I'm not sure when. Is it by the first week of February or second week? I'm not really sure when. I'm just afraid, like, that's the only issue. Like, if I travel, I will not live stream. That's the only issue. And I really want to keep live streaming, bro, because the channel is growing. We're gaining that momentum. Like, I'm afraid if I go back there, come back here again, then I'll probably slack off a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I'll take my mic with me. Then we'll do live streams there on the beach. Then I'll do my webcam. Then I'll open my webcam from there. Okay, oh, the low got taken. Okay, that's good. M15? Is that like an M15 low? Not really, it is not. It is not, okay. Take that off. So this is why you wait. This is why you need to see one crack correlation. Like, since we don't have one, there's no trade. YM is like a bit fucking around. It's not doing anything. Same for that one. Yeah, he's just tripping, bro. It's not doing anything. Okay. All right, so yeah, I think price is like the momentum is like not there. It seems like the volume is, as Robson said, like the volume is a bit dry at that moment. So okay, can you explain why you're gonna go shorts on YM? Just due to the fact that trading away from the hive day, we have a two-stage crack correlation. This is a PSP. This is an SMT with a C2 closure. That's it. CISD. Now I just need to confirm this CISD, lower time frame entry. That would be it. High of day, low of day. And just simple market structure. We're anticipating any new low to be formed. Some are just trying to catch that lower high. How we can confirm a lower high by 2 stage? Do we have a 2 stage here? We turn on the PSP indicator. This is a PSP. This one treated higher. If we're really going ES, here, if we really going on ES, this one treated higher, but in Q treated lower. This one was bearish and lower. This one was bullish and then higher. So yeah, now I just want to take this expansion candle, which is a C3. So now I'm expecting this candle to kind of reverse and trade lower and expand lower. Probably here. Looking on hourly. Yeah, 3 minute. Nah, probably here. I'll probably cut my trade here. Yeah, I'll probably cut it somewhere here. M5. Okay, I think we might get that entry right now. But now I'm just gonna put my stop at the body. Does here gives 2R? Okay, it gives 2R. Perfect. Okay, can maybe like try to squeeze 2R out of it. All right, that's really it. So that's the reason. We got 48 likes. 2 more likes. Can we get it to 50, boys? Can we get it to 50? Can we take it at 50 likes? If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Come on. But I think the voted viewers, we have like a lot of them stayed from the beginning. So yeah, for the people that are new, that haven't liked the live stream already, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's see the 3 minute. Maybe we can take the 3 minute. If we get this stream, what just that? Okay. If we get that 3 minute, then we're gonna take that 3 minute. Okay. If we get that 3 minute, by the way, before the M5 closes, then I'm just gonna take the M3. We still got 2 minutes for the M3 to close. So, oh my days, bro. Yeah, I think we're gonna get that entry right now. I think we're gonna get it. Did you just take a trade? No, not yet. I'm still waiting. That looks like a new protected level. I might just market execute somewhere in here after the closure. That looks good. That looks good. Come on. Enough alerts. Can you please stop the alerts? Oh, it's going higher. Perfect. Maybe now after we 2 stage. Have we formed a 2 stage here? Not really. I'll check it back later on. Okay, what do we got? Like now we got the fact of the matter is we kind of formed this high off of a gap. So if we get this CISD disclosure, this is my new invalidation level. I can just take 2 contracts here, stops at the lows, or maybe try to take like for the retest to kind of squeeze a bit more out of it. But yeah, it seems like price doesn't want to close below. That's what it seems like. Price just struggling to close below, which is a bit unfortunate. RTY took out the lows and then expanded higher. Now I wouldn't really be interested in RTY right now. Okay. No, sorry. This one is good, guys. This song is good. Okay, let's see. I'm not sorry. I'm feeling like I'm in a club, man, with these songs, bro. Come on, bro. Give me the closure. Oh my god. We're not getting the closure, man. We're not getting the closure. Did you take a trade today? Nope, I did not, brother. RTY. NQ also consolidates. Looks like a preparing to fall. NQ. Is this NQ? No, this is CL. NQ. We need to clear the highs out, hopefully. We need to take the highs out and then CISD, ideally. Like the M5, we're not getting that M5, bro. What just happened? Oh, I don't know what I did to make it look that way. What did I do? What did I press? I don't know what I pressed. Was it? I don't know what happened there, but interesting. Interesting candlestick. These, you know, in trading, it's harder. Wait, more. Yeah, bro. That's what we get paid for. Is that's just to be patient. It's been like 3 hours and we haven't taken a single trade. So, new subscriber. Thank you, Astrofiltrate. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Hit daily bullies is so it's hit daily bullies. Okay, I got you, my brother. Got you, my brother. But again, I think we're failing to kind of get that CISD. That short is looking really clean, but again, the other fact, yeah, it's just arranging right now. Do I have an SMT with ES? Not really. Yeah, YM is failing to reverse. YM just failing to reverse at that moment. So, yeah. Hopefully we can take out this high. If we take this high out and then we CISD, then yeah. How many trades do you take a week on average? This week I took 3 trades. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 4? I guess I took 4 trades this week. Last week I took 3 or 2. I don't remember. I was expecting NQ took previous daily low. Yeah, that's the anticipation. Previous daily low. I was expecting NQ took previous daily low. It already did, no? That's previous daily low. It was already taken out. If we're talking about this level, this is current low day. But let's stay within daily range. Like, oh, we did not actually. What the fuck? That's true. Oh, that looks, holy shit, that looks like the daily though. Nice. Alright, seems like this one is flipping. Okay, let me check. Well, bro, the range is not good. I just... No, you're right. I did not take out a daily low yet. Yeah, I haven't taken it yet. That's daily low. What the... Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, this is it. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, here. Somewhere in here. This. Let's see. Bro, YM is not really delivering. This is like a bearish candle, right? This PSP is a bearish candle? Yeah, it is. Now, like, if you want to take the risk and take this entry, like, I don't want to put my stop here. I want to put it here. Not even above this level. I want to put it here. Yeah, price just shrinks too much, man. Or maybe the CISD, if we get the CISD, then maybe I can trust this high. Especially with this internal sweep. Other than that, like, it's a bit tricky. Why don't you trade RTY? I don't know, I just don't like it for some reason. Not that I don't like it, I just like the InQY, I mean, your story, so. When we fail to CISD, usually likes to sweep high low. Yeah, exactly. So I want to see this sweep. And by then, this 30 minute, it still kind of supports expansion. Like, it was still kind of respecting the lower half. So by the sweep without high, we can still respect this AQ, then trade lower. Now, if we sweep, see, I'm not really going to take this CISD, by the way. I will still wait for this CISD, I guess. I will still wait for this CISD. A few points away and then take it. I took long in RTY GxT way. C2 closure. You can anticipate the expansion from here. 20 minute. Do I have any crack correlation here? 3 minute. Maybe here. I'm not sure how you took it. Congrats, buddy. What is your time window for trading? 10 a.m. The full. Ideally, like the first 2 hours is 10 a.m. candle, but yeah, it seems like 2 hours already passed, so we still want to see if we can get something there. Okay, this one is expanding lower, good, but not the momentum that we want. Interesting lows, M15, like this. Looks good. Hopefully we can get a cracking correlation along, like expand and lower. Hopefully. 5R. Let's see. 15 minutes, we got 6 minutes for the candle to close. Are we gonna get a one stage? Let me see, high, lower. Yeah, there's only that SMT. 30 minute, we have nothing to, only have the PSP, which is in one stage already. We do have the one stage here. With the SMT, with the closure below, M5, each one, hourly. 60 here, stops there. Two-stage cracking correlation. I'm always looking for someone who trade TTFM, GxT, and I find your channel with always. Welcome to the fam, bro. Welcome to the fam. M5 looks like it might close right now, so but I just want to see. And Q took out that high. It did not, man. ES, okay, so we got SMT. Oh, I like how ES is forming. I wouldn't really take NQ. If I want to take probably I will take ES from this closure. Looks really clean. But we'll just wait. We'll wait. Also got a CIC that we can trade away from on YM here. But let's see. Let's wait for that 3-minute candle closure and see which one we're gonna take. Each one hourly. Let me see. Yes, on hourly. We also have EC2. Okay. So it's still, it was stronger and it's still stronger. There is no strength switch there. ES is also looking good, but like YM is a bit closer to the draw compared to ES. ES has to dump 0.37, 0.32. Give me this closure and I'm gonna take you. Give me this closure and I'm gonna take you. Let me see the M5. Okay. That's so weaky, bro. What the it looks like Asia session, bro. Like it looks like we're trading just a market open, bro. But not New York Stock Exchange open, like market open. Yeah, give me the CISD, I'm gonna take it. Especially with like the M15 PSP, the second stage, so looks really clean, so. Oh my god, silver I think is gonna start moving lower. We have E2 state. Nice. Strength switch? Let me check. On which time frame? M15? You could say it like the stronger one put in. Oh, wait. I go back to the chart. I'm afraid I'm gonna miss this trade. Yeah, especially with the M15. This one was bullish, and then he put in a lower low, and this one was bearish too or not? No, it's not a same minor one. But again, let me just focus on that. I have to put in ES here. I need to prepare ES. Forget this M5. I'm just gonna go for two contracts, okay. Yeah, but I'll wait for this one. The M3. I'll wait for the M3 to close. Are we gonna get it closure or not? No, I'm not gonna take it. Just close at the line. I'm not really gonna trust this closure. We close at the line, so I'll just wait for another 3-minute candle to close. I don't like how it closed just at the body, like just at the level. We close on an M5, but I just want to wait for the M3. Hopefully this candle just doesn't expand directly. Hopefully we'll wait for another 3 minutes. If not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and take YM. Like the M5, it's good, but look at these wicks, bro. I cannot trust these wicks. M3 looks a bit clean opposing candle, so just go ahead and wait for that. Even if we get the closure somewhere in here, I'll just mark it execute. I mean 2-stage SMT. Yup, it is a 2-stage. 2-stage PSP or 2-stage. Okay. It's just not formal. Hopefully we'll come back. Oh, M5. Are we gonna get the retracement, boys? Gonna go 2 contracts. So I can take a retracement somewhere in here to get $500 risk. Let's see. Hopefully it kind of retraces back a little bit. The next candle is just gonna open high into my limit, and then if I want to market execute 675. Yeah, maybe like here 550. That's the maximum I can do. Well, to the low. Maybe I'll close a contract somewhere in here and then leave the other one to go to here. $40 seconds to go. 40 seconds to go. To this side, are we gonna lose money or win? Gonna lose or win? Let's see if we're gonna get that sell right there or not. Okay, 24 seconds. 24. Come on, come on. No. Come back. So we're gonna set 550. This is gonna go ahead and hit the limit right now. 13, 12. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it right now. I think it will not close back into the range. Maybe put it a bit higher. Okay, for iron. Okay. Come on, go up. Give me my entry. Okay, that's good. So I'm just gonna make it here just to look a bit better. All right. What I'm gonna do right now is just after I have around pre-limit order, 1 contract, $500 here. I don't know. Okay, we're here, boys. Let me record the trade. Let me put a recorder. Record the trade. So we can just flip these. You can take it to back. I can put it here. Okay. So now you can take the retracement. Since it was still overall that $500, $550 of risk, so it was alright for me to kind of put it there. Let's see if that's gonna be a good decision or a bad decision for the week, to end the week. Let's see if we're gonna end it strong or end it down. If we win, we're gonna play this. Hey. I think we're gonna end the week here bad. Where's 2R? Just to make sure where is 2R. So we got 2R. Somewhere here. Just to be cautious about it, okay. Put 2R. Exactly. That's a really good observation. Really good. Always you want to trade away when there is a gap, but again, it's just let's just wait. And another thing is why I'm not really failing to close below. That was like another red flag, but let's just wait and see. But again, like your node is really good. GG's for such observation, brother. You're trading C3 on it. Yep, exactly. And also, what kind of gives me more confidence is this two-stage. Look at the PSP and SMT with the C2, so I was anticipating like an M15 C3. So, but I think we might take a loss here. I think we're gonna take a loss here. Yeah, let's say stop. All right, that's it for today. That's it. You wait 3 hours to take an L. Yeah, that's really it. Maybe I should have waited for this one instead. Like this is really what caused Khan to pull back. So, anyways, let's just wait and see. Like the thing with trading, if you make a mistake, you pay with money. So. No problem, most of our experience. Exactly, my brother, expect me. Let's see if this one's gonna hit or not. But I think it will still take me out. I think it will take me out. Even though like kind of seeing that shallow retracement, but I think it might take me out. Let's see. Like kind of this gap is what's doing the work. But I think it will not hold. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for this L. More likes, more L's. So, yeah. Do you think we can trade CL today, or is it only CL? Nah, bro. I would not. I would not really. You traded straight line today? Yeah, exactly. So that would be like a 5-hour trade, like it might be here. Like if almost a 5-hour trade. So I'm risking 550 to gain like, I don't know, 2400. That would be a good winner, but if it is a winner. So now it's gonna go. We got a PSP. Now we got that 2-stage PSP from a gap. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go up right now. I think this is the time it will go up right now. I really want to manage this trade, but I just want to take a full 1 RL. Like I don't want to close 50. I can close 50% to kind of manage my trade, but I just let it do its thing. Like if you really check, we have YM kind of traded higher. This one traded lower, so we have kind of that 2-stage with a PSP. So, but again, it might just still fail. I never knows. It might just continue lower. Never know. So let's just wait. And I might just I don't like how this trade is setting up. Like my brain tells me to close, but I just wanna let it do its thing. Especially with how slow it is, like trading back lower. Compared to like the minute it went up to now, I was trading lower. Like it's just, but I'll just let it do its thing. I might close at 2R. I might. Like if we manage to get there, depending if it's just slowly going down, I might just close at 2R. If not, then yeah. But let's see. If we see some clean momentum, then yeah, we'll just hold for a bit. What about the M15 bullish for value gap? You could go BE once it taps down there. M15 gap? But like I don't manage like based off the gaps. I'll just manage based off a new invalidation level. If I form a clean new invalidation level, I'll just trade on my stop or then go break even. But I'll probably just go to R if it keeps fucking around like that. Or if it takes long, maybe like within 6 minutes, if it doesn't expand either way, I'll just maybe like just cut it at break even. How much I'm down? Let me turn into money. Maybe we need to use that again. ICG phase. Where is it? Money. 150. Oh, look at that. Look at the lyrics, man. Look at the lyrics. What he just said. Where is it? He just said you win some and you lose some. Where was it? You win some and you lose some. G Cole is just at the right time. You win some and you lose some. Hopefully this is you win some. And you lose some next week. Not this week. Not today. Today is Friday, so I wanna close the week good. Yeah, I think they're struggling to push down, bro. Like, especially with here. Yeah. But I'll just let it do its thing, man. Just wait. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, so we got like so far kind of this SMT. So that'd be the reversal. Like Are we gonna see lower prices now? What's up, buddy? You good? Yeah, it would be so good if this trade wins. Obviously. That was your RR for this week. I don't know, 2R, 3, I don't know. Sound like this. One p.m. Hopefully I'll survive until 1 p.m. That's the question. Will I survive until then? If I manage to survive until then yeah. Maybe. If not, then yeah. God bless. Yeah, I'll just go for a minimum wage job, man. Like for the dinero. Like this one is not. It's not giving me money, so. Yeah. Come on, go down. Do you need the ICG face again, bro? I think I know what he wants. Come on, you got it. Do you guys know it will go now? What do you guys think? Are we gonna see lower prices? The market maker himself came here, so. I haven't seen a plus, bro. Since I signed into trade, I never seen plus. I just said finally. Bro, ICG is good. Okay. Oh my god, ICG, I love you, my bro. I love you, my dad. Okay, that's good. Plus 200. That's good. I think we're going down. I think we're dumping. Okay, that's good. ICG, thank you, my bro. Ticks. I got you. No, bro. I'm gonna leave it. You know what? I'm gonna leave it money. You know what? This time I'm gonna leave it. Here she goes. Come on. Come on, your daddy ICG wants. Oh man, I hope it continues like that. Hopefully it won't take me out. Yeah. I know, when I get too excited, it just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna break your happiness, bro. Then it's time to, oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, like he knows price and time and price. So now we got price. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. You know what? We're going to text boys. I don't like how this shit is behaving, man. If it's not giving me that CIZ, bro, I'm closing that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't wanna stay. Is that a, let me see. Get a CISD, I'm holding. Not getting a CISD, I'm closing. That's it. Yeah. I'd rather, bro, take a break even or end the week like this. Especially with the ICT face, bro. It should go. It should not wait. Like, we got the market maker here, so. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably manage my stop. I'll move it to here. Trump is a market maker, not ICT. Yeah, we'll add his face too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close that shit, bro. You know what? Close that shit, bro. I don't wanna stay in that shit. I don't know. Fuck that shit, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it. So, you know what? I'd rather say, yeah. It's just not showing me what I want to see, bro. Like it's just. I don't wanna hold this anymore. It doesn't look good. Not clear expansion, bro. Like when you get a 2-stage, you should just expand. Like when you get a 2-stage, especially on M15, we got the PSP. Look at that. We've just been ranging here within that candle. So now I'm just anticipating a breakout. So let me just take a break even, and yeah, we participated in the market. ICT came in, it pushed that move. It caused me to take a break even. Thank you, ICT. That's it, bro. So I'd rather take a break even than just staying here. Even if it goes, bro. I'm just playing it safe, man. I just want to risk. I just want to secure my money, man. Good decision. Yeah, bro. ICT came in and saved the day, bro. If it goes now, it goes. I don't care, man. Like, it is what it is. Double risk management. Hopefully, thanks, man. Not a good PA. Yeah, bro. Not it is. Like, when you get 2-stage, you want price to expand. Like, you get the 2-stage, I want price to expand. I don't want price to. ICT. Oh my god. All right. Market is dead today. They don't want clean single move. Yeah, bro. And this retracement also was quite huge. Like compare the bullish momentum, like going really clean and now bearish. It's just like that. We're just in that range. If it goes lower, yeah, it is what it is. So it's a BA Friday. Yeah, exactly, man. So let's see if it wants to go lower or not. Let's give it like 10 minutes. Let's see if it wants to go lower. Yeah. We still need 2 subs for 1,180. Can we? If you guys haven't subscribed already, for the people that have just joined, we still need 2 subs for 1180. So let's see if you guys can manage to get it today before we leave the stream. Let me see. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me show the executions. Execution marks. I entered at 75 and I closed at 48, 25. Oh, so I managed to kind of make mine. Let me see. Did I make something or just close that minus? Let me check. There is no sufficient. Okay, we'll do starting soon. Let me see. Account some. Okay. I made $40. Okay, that's good. I made $40. It's not a bad day. It's like a 0.1 R almost. So we're up on a Friday. Oh wow. Are you gonna go? Dude, that was my entry was 75. My entry was here. Stop here. Let's see if he'll manage to get to R or not. Let's see. No, not there. It was here. My stop was here, right? Yeah, my stop was here. Okay. So my 2R was here. Like, look at that. Even though we just formed a new invalidation level, no gaps, nothing that shows that we're expanding. Also on Y, and there's nothing really, so. Yeah. All what matters is we make money. We make $40, that's good, so. Okay, we still need 1 subscriber, boys. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me show you guys where we're at. We just got a new subscriber, so we just need 1 more. Come on, 1 more. Let's see. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, and yeah. Watch your channel. Yeah, bro, it is. Yeah, I'm just more in love, man, with doing this, man. Hopefully I can provide more value. If I can provide more value, I will try and see how I can make the live streams better. Everything's better. So enter the NQ shorts. Good luck, man. Good luck. Let me check. NQ. No comment, bro. I'm not really sure. Yeah. Let's run it up. Oh, wow. Interesting. Really interesting. Okay. Let's see. Just hold your breath. This one is good. Blue is good. Let's see. I really want to sit here until I see, like, if this trade hits TP or it's stop loss, then maybe we can talk about it. See, like, why it did what it did. So for the people that are here, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat, and yeah. Okay, so we just kind of took out this range low. So price was ranging here. So this range low, range high. So now we just took one side. Are we gonna take this other side? Will it be this? Would that be the case? We're also filling to CISD below that level. Let's just see. Oh, what did I just do? I was about to break the chair, man. I was standing on. Again, like the saver for a day was ICT, not gonna lie. The minute I put his picture here, it was, yeah, the minute I put his picture, like, price just reacted instantly. Like, shout out to ICT, man. All the love. Let me see. Oh, new milestone, boys. New milestone. All the love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now it's time to. Now it's time to give you guys what I'm listening to. I like that one. What is your candle color? Okay, I'll show you. So if you go here, that green, this one, 58, and everything else is black. Everything else is black. Hey, let me see. Now the best part of the song is about to start. Let me give you guys a listen. Such a vibe. Okay, what do we got? Let me check if we got something that we can. Oh, look at silver, man. Look at silver. We got this two stage. We got a one stage here, but again, this candle doesn't really support expansion. It does support expansion, but again, we still got 5 minutes for a candle to close. This is Friday, so yeah, it's better to stay out, guys. If you haven't taken a trade yet, it's better to stay out for the time being. If you are in a trade, manage properly. Manage your risk. Pay attention. This Friday, so yeah, you might have a hard weekend if you make the wrong decision. So yeah, I'm happy with this decision of closing the trade here. Yeah, let's see. I really want to see the result on the stream, so that we can know, like, if yeah. But as Legend Don said, which he mentioned to something really important, which is the gap, which is the shout out to Don from here, like a really good observation, really good. Yeah. So also, like, just no displacement with any gaps. So the gaps are the only thing that shows you that the price is displacing higher, just like silver yesterday. M3, where was it? I got taken out somewhere near Thursday. I don't know where. Here, just like here, like this is what you want to see. Like, price expands, leaves a gap behind, then you can trade away from the gap. So, or you can do just like me and get taken out. Let's see. All right. Probably I'll close the stream in like 3 minutes. Yeah. So if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for tuning in today again. I think we managed to get like 20 extra subs today, or like, I don't know, 18 or something like that. Let me check. Yesterday we had around 1,166, and today we got 80. So 14 subs. Thank you guys. Thank you. 14 new people here. So if you guys enjoyed the live stream, let me know. If you did not, let me know too. Why you did not like it, or what things I should work on to improve the quality of the stream. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for your time. I hope we can have better sessions from next week. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close the live stream right now. I'm just gonna wait until 3 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and close the live stream. So feel free to leave, guys. If you want to stay here, thank you. Home Densk W. Yeah, W without me. I think this might be a W. Let's see. So yeah. See you, brother. See you. So yeah, I got like, I can close that community. Will hold. Have open your trade, bro. Good luck. Lincoln. Good luck, my brother. Good luck holding the trade, man. I just didn't like didn't like how prices was moving, especially after the failure to CISD. Just with that failure, I was like, you know what? Yeah, let me just call it a day. Thanks a lot for your teaching. You're welcome, man. Thank you, bro. You're welcome. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. On tomorrow, backtesting session. Monday, we're back to the live streams again, okay? Back to the live trading session. So yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you guys. Clocking off here. Clocking out, not clocking out, clocking out. See you guys and take care. Yeah, that's really it for me today. Love you guys. Take care.